All right.
I'm in there.
We're in here. We're in here. We're in here.
Oh, we're in here? We switched it already?
Yeah, we switched it.
Oh, alrighty. We're
How's it
here.
going? How's it
Alright.
going?
It's going. Not much, fella,
What you been up
Restful
to?
weekend?
All
Not
right.
much, not much. Restful weekend. Slept late yesterday, woke up late yesterday. Didn't do much yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Today, went to church. Then I got back home, took a nap, but we're here, restful, ready to hit it again.
No
You
running
know,
today?
not running today, not running this weekend. Get a chill for a bit for the running because my legs have been hurting a little bit. So I tried to like calm down a little bit with the running. But
Okay,
other than
okay,
that,
okay.
we here though. I feel fresh. I feel ready to go. Excited for this stream. And once again we're back. We had to move the date from Wednesday to Sunday. But hey, we're still here though. We're still here though. How about you, my guy? What have you been up to?
Um, I've been chilling, We had did we have an exam this week or no? I don't recall.
Monday.
Okay, we had an exam this week. Um, Pretty chill week actually, to be quite frank.
Yep,
Um,
yep.
Hung out with my friends
Yes, sir.
yesterday. Hung out with my girlfriend, and then we made some clay stuff. Some
Clay
cool
stuff.
clay stuff. Yeah, let
Oh,
me show you.
okay,
I don't know. You
okay.
probably can't see unless you look at the
Alright.
stream.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
But let me see. It's showing.
Hey, that's good, my guy.
Look at the stream. Look at the stream.
Yeah. Let me see. It's gonna take a little bit of a second. Oh, was that a cactus?
Yeah, it's a cactus.
Yeah, that's good, bro.
So yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Did you
Oh,
make
look
the
at this
clay or
one.
did you
No,
buy
we
the
bought it from
clay?
Michael's. You know Michael's?
Okay. Yeah.
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 And look at this one. Look at this one. Hold up.
Let me see.
Uh,
Oh, you even did the pot and everything for the cactus. Hey, that's
yeah.
cool. Yeah, that's
You can
cool.
barely see this
Yeah.
one, but
Let's see, let
maybe
me
you
see.
recognize it. Oh, there you go. There you go.
Let me see. Give me a sec. I think my live stream is a little bit behind. Let me see.
You see. You see. You see it.
Is it the shell? Oh, is it shell
Yeah.
from Mario Kart?
Yeah.
Hey, that's dope, bro. Hey, that's creative. That's
Thank you. Hey,
creativity, bro.
I didn't do it off the dome. I saw like
Yeah.
the app Pinterest.
Yep.
Yeah, it's on Pinterest, but they don't give you like step by step though. Like
Yeah, you
they
have to
just
like
show
make it up
you.
yourself.
Yeah, but anyways, I think for
Either way,
me,
bro, that's
I'm
cool.
pretty artistic, but
Uh-huh.
for me, I can't like think of it. I gotta like
Yeah.
see it, and then I could like
Get some
copy it.
inspiration. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's it was fairly easy like to create it, but of course on my own I don't recall the how the shell looked like or all the little
Yeah.
details. But um, that's about it.
Nah,
What are
but
we
hey,
What are
but
we
that's
doing?
cool, dude.
What are we doing today, Jose? What are we doing?
Today, hopefully, if God willing, we're gonna finish arrays and hashing, and then we're gonna move to 2 pointers. So, yeah, so that's the goal today. Trying to finish array hashing first, and I think one of the subscribers told us that one of the hashing questions on LeetCode is on premium. I verified that, and it is premium. It's the encode and decode strings. So we can't do it on LeetCode, but we can do it on NeetCode. So that's
Okay.
nice. So if you're down, we can do it on NeetCode, and then for the problems that we can do on LeetCode, we do them on LeetCode, right?
Okay.
But so for this one, I think we have to do it on a NeetCode. Then we have predicate of array, so it's cool. And I have to admit, some of the questions here have been kind of been worked on because I forgot to switch out of my account on LeetCode. So
Oh.
yeah, I stayed signed in on we're hardworking geniuses on LeetCode, and I didn't realize it. So I worked on some of the questions right on our account. So if you see some code there, I apologize to you, to the community, right?
Okay.
I should have paid a little bit more attention to that. But yeah, so sorry for that. But I think it's just two questions, and the other questions they're clear. So I'll be more careful on doing that. But yeah, other than that, so let's get array and hashing going. Let's see how far we can go.
All right, well, let's get it then. So let me
Yes,
switch the
sir.
screen. Enough
Uh-huh.
yapping. Switch the screen.
Mm-hmm.
Here we are. Just to give everyone a little update on where we're at. We solved 8 so far out of the 75. And we're almost done with hashing and arrays. We're gonna start
Yep,
with.
yep.
Do you want to start with encode and decode?
I'm down. I'm down.
Which one do you
Yeah.
want? Which one do you want to start with?
Let's go Encode and Decode. Let's go by order
Okay.
and see.
This one's
Yeah.
this one's the premium, right?
Yeah, that's a premium one.
Okay,
So
so I do them in
So
here.
we have to. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we're ready to start
Yep,
off.
yep. So,
What was I gonna
put
say?
this
Oh yeah,
full
yeah.
screen.
If you look up top, we added these.
Hey.
The insane levels. It's back
Yeah.
back on the problem
Yep.
page, and then
Uh-huh.
up there, all the way up there, that's our live
Up there on top of me.
sub goal.
Yep. Hey,
It wasn't easy to
made it.
create, but we got it done.
We made it to 300 subs.
We made it 300. Yes,
subs.
we're almost there.
Made it 300.
What's the percentage at?
So-
300 out of.
That's 250.
That's 50,
We're like a little
60,
bit 60,
60.
75, 70% there. Think
Let
so.
me double check.
Yeah, double check. So
We're,
250 is half.
that's 60%.
60%.
So we're about 60%.
60%.
From 500 subs. A big goal of ours. So
Big goal of
hopefully,
ours.
hopefully we could grow more and keep doing some good streams so more
Yep,
people could watch. But other than that, I guess we just get started.
Yeah,
You
let's
want to
get
read?
started.
I read. You read.
I'll read if you want.
All right, do your thing.
Yep. So this is well, I forgot I think it's I don't really know the number, but this is a string, encode and decode. This is a premium question. So if you guys want to follow us, go to NeetCode Blind 75. It's gonna be under hashing and arrays, right? And on this website you can do it without having to pay for it, right? And it says the following. Design an algorithm to encode a list of strings to a single string. All right, let me reread that.
All right, read.
Design an algorithm to encode a list of strings to a single string. The encoded string is then decoded back to the original list of strings. Please implement encode and decode. Example 1, input, you have NeetCode love you, and output NeetCode love you. Example 2, we say yes, output we say yes. All right. Do you get it?
No, I don't get it. You create it into a single string. Okay, and then you decode it.
It's because I think you have to encode it first. You have to create an algorithm to encode it, right? And then create an encoded algorithm. Does that make sense? So we grab like a list, right? A list of NeetCode love you. We put it all into a single string, right? In some way, some sort. We have to arrange it. We have to encode it in a way that we can arrange it. Send it to encode, to decode it back to an array.
But why?
I don't know. It's a weird.
Oh.
Oh.
That's my bad.
No worries. You good.
I was just clicking.
Yeah, no worries. This is a weird problem. I've never seen something like this before.
So like I'm imagining like join, like dot join. Obviously you don't want to use that. You got to figure out how to do it without dot join or something like that.
Yep.
But like that's what I'm imagining is like, do they want us like something along the lines of dot join and space it out with a space and then for the output, you find the space. You use space as delimiter, and then you tokenize each word, and then you put it into an output, something along the lines of that. Like, what is it? What is it exactly?
I think so. I think so. I think it's you're in the right path. I was thinking the same thing.
Oh,
Like you have
no.
to.
Oh, it's a single
Huh?
string, so it doesn't have to be just together. No spaces at all. Is that what it's saying? So it'll be written as, like, for the first one, whenever
Hmm.
you encode it, it'll be
Okay.
NeetCode love you, something like that, or
Okay.
no?
I think so. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think so. I think so. Yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. That makes sense. Yeah. That, yeah, because then how would example two look like? We say
It'll
then
be
colon
get
yes
neat.
all together.
Say that one more time.
Like how would example two look like? Like we say colon yes all
It'll be
together.
like
Oh, okay. I
like
see. I
that.
see. I see. Yep. Yep.
Okay, well, in this case, I see how it could be interesting because whenever you output it, how do you know where to tokenize it
Yeah.
at?
Yeah.
Huh. This one's
I mean,
gonna
like you
get the
said,
brain churning.
like you said, we can use delimiters. Like we can add like a space or something in between the words and
But
just uh-huh.
but remember, what topics is this in? We're in arrays and hashing. So think about how
Yeah.
you could do it in an array or hashing, like hashing. I think there's a way you could do it with hashing, where for the decode, whenever we have it like this, how do you decode it? And you could decode it by saying, okay, we is we in the dictionary? Yes. Okay, boom. That's one token. Is
Oh.
like each time like you're at a letter is S in there, is A in there, is Y in there. Oh, okay, SAY is in there. Boom. And then it's colon in there. Yes, colon in there. Is Y in there? No. Is E? Is Y? Yes, yes. And then, but I
Okay.
see there could be implications with that if it's like we say boom uh, Y yes or something like that, and you put like let's say the input is like this, you put Y in there, and then like for the example I was saying, you're doing a check each character you're on. Once you go here, you're like, oh yeah, there is a Y in the dictionary, and then once you go here, oh yeah, there's a Y in the dictionary. So you would end up going like this instead of YES. But anyways, just something along
Yeah.
the lines
Yeah.
of that.
Yeah.
I feel like Orcus, what's up, man? How you doing, man? What's up, man? How you
Oh,
doing?
Orc is the
I'm
myth, the
traveling.
legend.
Oh, what the
Woo! He been on vacation, brother.
traveling vacation?
He's been on
What's going on?
vacation. Yo,
I'm interested.
yo. Yes, sir.
I'm
If you
interested to
don't
figure out
mind, where are you at right
what
now?
this traveling's for. Business trip?
Yep. Yeah. Bro,
Business
Orchid,
trip?
bro, he's living the life.
What you doing? What you doing? Let us know the deets. We might be there too. Let us know the deets. Okay, anyways, Jose, what are you thinking, man?
Yeah. So I like the dictionary idea where you can look through the array like need, code, love, and then love you, put them all into a dictionary, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, and then we can ooh, then we can do uh like a length type deal where it's the length is a key, right? And then the value is a word. You get me?
Oh,
So for example, need would have a length of 4, right?
or
And
the
it's at the
key. The
start.
key is the word. The length is the value.
Be yeah, 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 yes,
Because you
yes,
can have
yes.
multiple length of the same
Mm.
length, and then the values will be like, for example, yes and say. Like the
Yeah,
key
okay,
would be
yeah.
3, and then you have values of say and yes in there. I feel like if you just had say as the key and then the value. Uh, all right, Orcus, thank you for stopping by, man. We appreciate you. Good luck on getting
Yes, sir, brother.
your mark sheet. I'm gonna be real with you. I don't know what that means, but I hope
But
it goes
hey,
well. Getting your
yes,
mark
sir,
sheet
bro.
and then
Yep,
get
yep.
some good sleep, man.
Yes, sir, guy. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Enjoy your trip. Enjoy your trip. Where you go, just stay safe, my guy. Alrighty, so
So the
okay.
word is the key. So like this.
But I
So
was
we're
thinking, right?
yeah. What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
The word is the key, but do dictionaries? Hmm. Like, do dictionaries have an order?
Not necessarily.
Like,
No.
not necessarily. Because we can
No.
loop through the dictionary, right? We could say, because, like
It's
we
a
could
O
say,
lookup. It's a O1 lookup.
yeah, yeah, but like the order of the like the way the keys are put into a dictionary. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Like, is it like does it work? But like, if I input add a key to the dictionary, would that dictionary would always be one? You get me?
Point flip. What's up, buddy? Would that dictionary always be
Yeah.
one? What are you talking about?
Like the element. For example, if we say if we add we to dictionary, would we always be at index one or
There's
index
no
zero in this case?
index. The index is the key,
Okay, okay, I see, I see, I see, I see, I see,
right?
I see.
Because if you want to access the value, you say dict, and then you say we,
Yeah, yeah,
and then
yeah,
you access the value.
yeah. Okay, I think that's gonna cause a little bit of problems,
What you
cause
thinking? What you thinking? What you thinking?
cause we need to loop through the dictionary, right? And we have to get the length. I mean, I think it works. I think it does
Loop
work. I think I'm just overthinking about
loop
it.
through the
Let's,
dictionary. What do you mean?
yeah, because we have to loop through the dictionary to get the value, right? The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, right? Does that make sense?
Kind of, but okay. Guide me on what you're thinking. So you're saying we
Yeah, for
get the
example,
input,
we put
we
it in a
we
dictionary
put it in the
with its
dictionary.
length, with
Okay,
its length.
so we'll
Yeah,
do example two. So
yeah.
so this is so
We
far right.
two,
We
yep,
say
and
and then
colon,
colon
we go one,
one and
and
then
then
yes
yeah, just like that with 3.
equals 3. Okay,
So
so
we
we're
have
here.
to, we have to loop through the dictionary. We get 2, 3, 1, 3. So we get the first 2, then the next 3, the next one, and the next 3. Yeah, like
I'm confused on why you got to loop. Like what are you trying to do by
because
looping?
we're getting a string. Like, we're on the decode, right? We're getting
Mhm.
a string called we're getting a string on line 8. That's what we're getting,
Yes.
right? So we have to loop through the dictionary to get the size, right? So we
Get
can
the
say, all right,
sizes.
the size is right, but we have to make sure that the first element, in this case we, has to be the first size we get, right? We can't get 3. We can't say we can get 3 because that's gonna give us yes. You get me? So that's like my little
So
concern.
whenever we're trying to decode it, you're saying we need to start from the top
We have to start from the top. Yeah,
and we're getting the value.
yeah, the 2,
And what are
right?
we
And then
doing with that value?
we're getting the first 2 letters, so the first 2 indices, or the substring of
Uh-huh.
length 2 of line 8, right? Which is we're adding it to on another list, right? And then we go to say, we get the 3, we get the next 3 characters of line number 8, which is say, we add it to the list. Then we go to the next element in the dictionary, which is one. We get the next one character of line 8, which is a colon. Then yes. Then we go to yes. We get the 3. We get the next 3 element characters of line 8. You get me?
I get you. I got a question.
Yeah, for sure.
It says design algorithm to encode the list of strings to a single string. The encoded string is then decoded back to the original list of strings. Does
Yeah.
it mention that it has to be in order?
I'm assuming it has to be because of the
Why?
outputs. Because of the outputs. But also, I would think about it like for example, in a real life situation, you want for things to be decoded in the right order.
That is true. That is true.
Yeah. So I was thinking in that perspective. So that's why I'm like a little bit worried with the order the dictionary gets inputted, or the elements get inputted into the dictionary. Because let's say I inputted we, right? But the next iteration, say, right, gets inputted on index 0 and pushes we to the second. You get me? So I don't really know how that works. But I think you're right. We just have to loop through the keys and get the values. We can work with that, and I think we should be good.
I'll do you one better. I'll do you one better.
Okay.
What's up, Kai? How you doing, Kai?
Welcome to. Hey, we get one more subscriber.
Hey, we got one more sub. Appreciate it.
Hey, welcome to the streams. If this is your first stream, welcome to the stream. Comment down in the chat. This is my first stream. Point flip. I haven't seen you in the streams before. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the community. Right. And Kyra, right. Welcome to the stream. Welcome once again.
Point flip. How you doing, man? What's up? Okay.
I'm
gonna do you one better. I'm gonna do you one better.
All right. Yeah, I'm all ears.
Hear me out.
Mm-hmm.
Since a dictionary doesn't have any specific order, why don't we just say, okay, we're at we, and then you say, please keep it professional, Kyra. Appreciate that. Please keep it professional. I'm just joshing. Anyways, we get we from the list of strings. Why don't we just give it a value of 1? It's the first letter. We get say. Why don't we say it's a 2? Why don't we say this one's a 3? This one's a 4? But then, if you like that idea, why don't we just use an array that stores the array? But I can see why we don't, because the lookup. No, dude, this is weird.
Wait, what do you mean an array?
Like, why don't we just? Because this is basically an array. Like, we were putting the index.
But decode. Decode. It's look at the parameters. Decode is expecting a string. Like, we're sending line number 8 to decode. You get me? And this index, I like this index, but we don't know the size of we.
But we don't need the size.
Yeah, but how do we know? How are we gonna get we with that string though? If that makes sense.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking with the size. Because if the size, we can say, all right, give me this substring from 0 to 2, substring to 3 to 4, like some sort of substring. Give me that and add it to a
Wait. So we say you encode it. You're getting a list of strings. You encode it.
Yeah.
And then it looks like NeetCode. Okay. But whenever you're encoding it, can you have create a dictionary that whenever you decode,
okay, I see.
you use the dict, and then combine
Mm-hmm.
the elements.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know if that's fair because, like you mentioned, it's expecting a string. This is like
Yeah.
an outside. It will be an
Yeah, like
outside
global.
dictionary. It would be here or
Yeah.
something like
Yeah.
that. It's returning a string as well.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I wonder if that's possible.
I mean, we can try with create a dictionary outside, and we can use that, right? But I don't know if that'd be like good coding practice per se. It's a weird one. It's a weird one. Um,
So what are you thinking?
what if, or
What if? What if?
we create a string, right? Because we have to create a string from the list, right? We somehow mix the size of the word into the string we sent. For example, line number 6. Well, on line number 6, yeah, we're gonna put 4 in front of neat, 4 in front of code, 4 in front of love, and 3 in front of you. Right? That way we can know like the length, right? We can send that. Then over here, we can do some like,
You're a genius. But is there ever gonna be a number in the
yeah,
strings?
that's what I was thinking. Yeah, UTF-8 characters. So it has contains anything. What are UTF-8? UTF-F characters. Give me a second. Give me a second. Let me verify. All right, so it's all characters,
Including numbers?
numbers. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think so. I think it has.
I thought that was pretty nice. A nice little idea you had.
Yeah, me too. But if it includes numbers, that's gonna make it a little bit difficult. Yeah. Huh. Oh, what the heck? UTF. Let me see. Let me just confirm. Yeah, it has A through Z, 0 through 9, and special characters. Yep, yep. It has everything. Hmm. Hmm.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Hmm.
Well, what I'm caught up on is that this question is in the array and hashing category.
Hmm.
So it's either we're using a hashing dictionary, some hash set, something along the lines of that, or we're using an array to store the words or something like that.
I'm down to try the hashing, but we have to create the dictionary outside.
Yes.
But I don't know if you're down to do that.
I mean, I've seen some solutions that I thought would be ugly, like oh they're ugly solutions, but
Uh-huh.
those are like the sought for solutions.
Okay.
Like I thought of some solutions. I was like, It wasn't the exact thing, but I thought I was like, oh, let me do something on the outside of the function. And then I was like, oh, it's a little too ugly. I want everything to be all nice and neat inside the function. And then let's say I'm stuck. I go to look for a solution, and I notice that they thought of the similar thing where they do something outside the
Yeah,
function. And I'm like, okay,
yeah,
well,
yeah.
then that means let me throw that idea out the window of, oh, I need it to be all nice
Keeping
and
nice
neat
and tight.
inside. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But that's for LeetCode. I don't know that could be different if, let's say, you're working on a project with some
Oh
certain
yeah, for sure, for
requirements.
sure.
Um, so
I'm down
as
to do
I
with
think as long as
dictionary.
we're using a hashing or an array type of thing, then it's
Yeah,
fair game. That's what I'm saying.
yeah. Alrighty. And then if, after if you want to, we can find the solution where we can find one without a dictionary, right?
Okay.
And see, yeah. So I think that will help us learn how to
Dude,
figure out.
dude, sorry, side note. I was
Yeah, no worries, no
cashing
worries.
on the court. I was cashing. They gave me the ball, boom. I was making it. They gave me the ball, boom, I was making it. And there was this little kid. There was this little kid.
Not the little
He was
kid,
not
bro.
little, but like he was not like tiny. It's not what I'm saying, but he was definitely
Yeah,
in high
yeah.
school. High
Uh-huh.
school,
Okay, okay, okay.
maybe like a senior type JV basketball.
Yeah.
He was getting angry at me. I don't know why. I don't know why. But I
Bro,
wasn't
what were
saying
you
anything.
doing now?
I'm very on the court. I'm like a silent assassin. You know, I don't really be
Oh,
talking.
okay.
Sometimes I
Work
do.
in the shadows.
Sometimes I do. It depends on where I'm at. I'll definitely be yapping a lot. But this time I wanted to keep it like Kawhi Leonard.
Yeah, yeah.
I wanted to
Like,
keep it Kawhi Leonard. I want to keep it
yeah, uh-huh.
silent. Let the game do the talking, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, I
Yes,
let the
sir.
game do the talking, and but he was doing all the talking after my game did the talking. So he was getting a little bit upset, man. And anyways, sorry.
No, you good, brother. You good, bro. You know. Nah, bro. Poor man, dude. Not the little kid.
Yeah, but I say all that just to conclude that we lost.
No,
Yeah,
bro.
we won the first game. It was
No.
pretty nice. The next two games, well, the next game we lost, and then it was 1-1.
Yeah,
You can't leave the court 1-1. You gotta see who wins
yeah,
the
yeah.
last one.
Uh-huh.
So they ended up winning the last one. And you know who made the last
Eesh,
shot?
the little
The little kid
kid.
made the last shot on me. On me.
Ooh.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Like the nail in the coffin, bro.
So
Eesh.
he had the last laugh, but I played better than
Yeah.
him. That's all
All
that
right.
matters to
Hey,
me.
that's good. That's
That's
good, bro.
actually that's not all that matters to me. I would have liked to win, but
Yeah.
I think I played
Hey, you
better
had a
than
good
him.
sesh though. You got a
Yeah.
good sesh. That's what
So,
matters. That's what matters.
anyways,
Yeah, you
yeah.
gave it your all.
So
So,
how do you want to do this? You say create global
uh,
dictionary. Do we want to
and
do
then
the indexing or do you want to
I think I would
do
say this the size. Let's
the
see if
size?
yeah, I would say so.
Okay. Um.
I think after the stream, bro, I enough to get some Whataburger or some ice cream, bro. Mmm.
I'm thinking Whataburger, man.
You think
Do you
Whataburger?
go to the
Alright,
same Whataburger you used to work at?
something yeah, is the one closest to my house, so I have
Okay,
to
okay.
yeah. Yeah.
Add word as key and size as value. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and
And then
then
we join them. We join them. We join them. Let me
join
start.
them.
Let me start. I think one of their subscribers put their solution with the join for the one of the previous problems. So let me see
Hmm.
how that join works.
But how do we use the
Uh,
How do we know which one's supposed to be first? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
because of the string, because of the list, they already come in order. So we just add them like
No,
index
but
zero.
to
Uh huh.
decode them, to decode it back.
Oh, that's what I was gonna ask you. Let's first populate the dictionary and everything, and let's call print out the dictionary. If it
Okay.
prints out in order, we should be good. If not, we'll have to think of something else.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Uh.
um,
Uh huh. Uh huh. Uh huh.
okay.
Okay.
Wait, don't we gotta input the dictionary? No, it's global. So
Yep.
Something like this, something like that.
Think so.
We'll see what happens. Okay, so in here, for encoding, that is
Loop the list.
loop list and add to dict.
Yeah.
B and length as value.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then
Then print.
let me see. Let me see
Just
if I
for
can. Oh yeah,
testing.
print. Yeah.
Print. Okay. As of right
Let me
now.
see. Let me see if I can pronunciate this word.
Okay.
Concatenate.
Concatenate the
There you go. I
list.
said it right. Yeah, I always have trouble saying that word, bro. It's a hard one. It's a tough one.
So we put it in the dictionary, then we get it from the dictionary to concatenate.
No, we just concatenate the list
Okay.
with that join. Yep.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So look at this trick. Look at this trick.
All right. Let him cook. Let him cook.
So you know why we do this, right? I believe we learned someone, or maybe not. I learned it, but do you
All
know why?
right. Yeah. What
Any
is that?
guesses? Any guesses? It's underscore.
Oh, it's an underscore. Okay. Fair enough. So you use the underscore as the indices, as the like as a iterator, no?
Do I need to use an underscore?
What is the underscore for?
No, I can't use underscore. But anyways, an underscore is when you don't necessarily need the element. Like let's say
Oh,
for I
Mhm.
for underscore and strs, you print
Yeah,
hello world or something. Like you don't really
yeah.
need
Okay.
you
All
don't
right.
need it.
Yeah.
But I spoke too soon because
I think we
you
do
do
need
need
it.
it. Yeah, because you need
Yeah.
to put it into the dictionary.
Yeah. Hey,
Okay.
that's smart though. That's smart. Didn't know that.
Yeah. D words equals length words, and you got to do the if D if
If words not in D.
words not in D dot keys key or keys.
I think you can just say like on D. Like you don't have. I don't think you have to do the keys. I
Okay.
think it works. Yeah, just like that. Else.
Wait, you don't need an else.
Oh yeah. Do we?
Oh,
Uh.
what if there's a duplicate word?
Ooh. Ho. Oh, you got me there. You got me there.
What if there's a duplicate word, Jose?
We can do a tuple.
So instead of tuple and then
Index.
the or we just have an array. Oh, the values as an array, and you pop that value once you use it. So whatever's remaining, look at this, look at this. So
Yep.
let's say there's another we. There's another we.
Uh-huh.
You would have an array, and then the length of wait. I guess like that. You like so once you're done with one, so once you bring it back or whatever, you pop it or whatever you want to do, you remove it, and then now you have one left. Yay or nay? Yay or nay?
Oh, like the
Maybe I'm not understanding it right. Because the
do you
reason why
uh-huh.
that the duplication is an issue because whenever we decode it, we're using a dictionary,
Yeah,
and I'm
it's
assuming
the
once you use the word, you want to make sure you eliminate it. Is that correct?
Yeah, but wouldn't I think the duplication matters when we have like the same keys, like a duplication in keys and not really the values. So we had to change somehow the keys, which is words.
No, I'm
I
not
don't know if that
getting. I'm
makes.
not catching you. I'm not catching you on that one.
For example, let's say we have we and say. Let's assume they have the same length. We can say we two say two, right? So they can have the same value, but we cannot have two keys that are equal to we. You get me?
So you're saying
So
if it
we
says if the word is we say we like cheese,
uh-huh.
for whatever reason.
Yeah.
You're saying when we're at here, we're adding it here, and we're getting the length. Boom.
Uh-huh.
We're at say, we add the length
Uh-huh.
3. And then now we're back at we.
Yeah.
It's
It's
already
not
in
gonna
there.
yeah.
So you're not going to change anything. It's
It's
not
not
going
gonna
to.
change anything. Yeah.
No. Unless you assign it. Unless you say D words. If D words not in,
Yeah.
else that means it's in. Then what do you want to do once there's a duplicate?
Huh. That's the thing. I was thinking like we can create a counter and just concatenate words. Like we have a we one, say two, we eat three, like four, cheese five. You get me?
But then why do we need to know if that
We have a duplicate.
value is a duplicate? So I'm
Because
saying in the decode we're using the
oh, okay.
dictionary, right?
Uh-huh.
And then remember what was the reason? Oh, we still haven't checked to see if it's in order. So we still don't know. We
Yeah,
still don't know the decode
exactly.
yet.
Yeah. And also, let's say we have two we's, but in the dictionary we just have one we, right? It's gonna not gonna capture the second we, so that's gonna mess up like how we get the indices. You get
Okay,
me?
and that's what I was saying, that we could have the value will it'll be an array, and then you
Okay.
put the length in there still. And
Uh-huh.
then if there's another instance of we, you put the length again. So that
Yeah.
whenever you use it, let's say it is sorted. Let's say the dictionary is sorted that we still
Yep.
haven't
Yep.
checked yet, and we need to see, okay, how many we's do we have left? Okay, two. We have two because the length of this array is one,
Mhm.
two. We pop this one out. Now we know we only have one left. If once we pop that one out, that means we know we're at 0.
But when are you gonna pop it though? How are you
We
gonna
don't
know
know
when
that
to
because we
go
don't even
back?
know. We don't even know what's next on the decode. We don't
But
know
that's the
that. We
thing.
haven't.
That's why I like using the indices, the length, because that's gonna dictate. For example, we have a length of two. We're gonna get from 0 to 2, right? Say is gonna go from 2 to the next 3, right? And then the next we're gonna start from where we ended up with and it's gonna get the next 2.
So now
We're
you're
getting there.
saying, oh, so you're saying the tuple route where it has a length and it has the index of, or the number that
Yeah,
it's on.
yeah, but that I don't think that will matter because we can have same duplicate values, but we cannot have duplicate keys. So we had to have unique keys in order to get like the double we, if that makes sense. We can have two we's in a dictionary. Yay or nay?
I'm saying nay for right now because we still don't even
Yeah.
know the decode.
Uh-huh.
Like I don't. We just want. I'm still confused on the decoding part. Like we're
Okay,
gonna
I
have the
see.
dictionary, we're gonna have the data
Uh-huh.
structure or whatever we decide. How are you gonna decode the string that looks like we say
We like
boom,
this.
oh, we like cheese? how are we gonna say? Well, we know if it's ordered, we're gonna say okay, okay,
Yeah,
say. But in that case, we don't even need the values because we just know we say we like cheese. It's all
that's the
there.
thing, bro. That's the thing. How are we gonna say we? How are you gonna say, all right, this string, go get me we? How are you gonna say that? Right? We have the value, right? We have the key. But how are you gonna go and say, all right, give me the string, give me the we? Are you gonna split it? Are you gonna split it, concatenate it, get the substring? You get me? How
You're
are you
gonna
gonna get just the
well,
we?
we know that if it's ordered, which I don't think it is,
Let's
by
say,
the way. We know if it's ordered,
okay.
it's gonna be like this. We say, hold up. Oh, why did? Oh, hold up. We say we, and then whatever
Two.
the two, and then like, yep, for,
For yeah. Mm-hmm.
and then lastly,
1,
cheese
2, 6.
6.
Make it 6. Yep.
We don't even need a, for dictionary's sake, we don't even need to see these values. We just start from the top. We say we like cheese. Boom. You just add the keys together, or they're separated. We say we like cheese.
Oh, okay. I see where you're coming from. I see. I see. I see.
But why do this when you could just put it in an array? Which is why I'm confused about the problem, because we're just getting an array just to put it in an array to decode it using the array. Like what?
It's because we're not using an array. We're using a string. We're getting receiving a string,
In the encode,
right?
we're getting an array.
Yeah. Yeah. We have to
We're gonna put the
concatenate.
words from the array into an array. So in decode, we just add the array. Is
Yeah.
what I'm confused about.
Yeah. I mean, it's because that is true. You do have a point there. You do have a point there.
That's why I'm saying,
Oh.
like, well, I was trying
Yeah.
so hard to
Yeah.
do
I
it with the
get you.
dictionary,
Yeah.
but it doesn't make sense whenever you
We
could
can just
just do it
concatenate
in
the
an
keys.
array. You could just do it in a,
Yeah.
yeah. But that's making me think that the problem, we're not understanding it right. It's
Yeah. I
something
think
that
so.
we're not looking at it the right way
I think so. I think you're
based off
right.
that.
Yeah. Yeah. You're right. Yeah. I didn't see it that way. Okay. Okay. I see where you're coming from. I see where you're coming from.
Because if
Hmm.
that's the case, if we want to just do that, might as well just say join, and then right here we're saying, you want to, like, we just have the array equals empty, and then
Yeah. We create a
for
string.
blah blah blah
Yeah.
for words, and then ar.append words, and then once you're there, you're over here, and you say, um, I guess you're creating a new list, so list equals boom list one, and then you're saying for x and arr list one dot append arr, and then return list one,
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. I get you. I get you. I get you.
which is kind of weird.
Hmm. You do have a point there. You do have a point there. You do have a point there. So I think they just want us to use a string.
Or I'd say, I don't know, dude. I think we need to look at the video on what the, like, to
Oh, what?
understand the problem.
Yeah, because it doesn't really tell us anything.
What do you say?
I'm down. I'm down.
Okay, don't look at the code. Ready? Don't look at the code. I'm gonna
Don't
click
look at the
play.
go.
Hey everyone, welcome
All
back,
right.
and let's write some
Go,
more
go, go.
NeetCode
Make a
today.
full screen. Make a
I
full
can't make
screen.
it full screen. All right, right here.
I'm a paid actor.
Okay.
Oh.
This isn't a real company.
Oh, we got
All
some
right.
ads. What the heck?
Okay, don't worry about that.
Okay.
All right.
Alright. Read the problem. We just want the to understand it.
Yeah.
Oh, I
So
have
we got-
I have your stream muted. Let me see for a second.
Alright,
there you go.
I'm gonna mute this other.
Okay.
All right, don't care. Don't care.
We're going to have two different functions that we want to implement. So we're given a list of strings, and we want to write two functions. We want to encode this list of strings into a single string, and you can kind of see that down here. We're given an input list of strings, LeetCode, love you, and we want it to be a single string, such as this one in the bottom right. And then the decode is just going to be the opposite of encode. We're going to be given a single string, and we want to be able to convert this string back into that original list of strings that we were given. And it's up to us on how we want to design this algorithm. But the tricky part is going to be that the basic assumption is that in our input, we could have any possible character in the inputs, not just limited to lowercase a to z. So the difficult thing is going to be, how do we create some kind of delimiter between each word? How do we know when one word ends and another word begins? That's kind of what we're going to be focusing on. So let's get into that solution. So suppose we're given two strings like this, neat and code, and we want to convert it into another string, basically into a single string, right? So
Let me say what's up to chat. Clyde, what's up, man? How you doing, man?
Hey,
Yo,
man, welcome to the stream, brother.
Clyde,
How you doing?
you caught us in a bad spot because right now we are trying to solve this problem right here, and me and Jose got in a big argument.
Yeah,
So
fighting.
yeah, fighting words. So we spent the past 40 minutes trying to understand this problem.
Trying to understand it. Yeah.
And we came to a conclusion that we didn't understand it correctly. So we're just simply looking at this video as a way to understand the problem, and then we're going to go back.
We ain't getting the solution.
We're not getting the solution. We're going to go back and attack it. So anyways, so that's what we're doing.
It would be like this, right? Just say, okay, neat code. Now the problem is, okay, we did that. The encode was fine, but now we want to decode this back into the two original strings that we had. But there's no way for us to determine, right? Because we can't remember where one word ends and another word begins, right? So we need to have some kind of character or something to separate words. What if we used a pound sign or something, right? Something like this, or any character, maybe a question mark or something, right? But this is like our special character. That's what's going to separate words for us. So in this case, it works out, right? We'll go character by character in the input. Once we get to a pound sign, okay, we'll say that this word ends. So we'll say, okay, we have the first word neat, and this is not included in any of the words, so we skip it, and then we get to the remaining portion, code, and there aren't any more pound signs. So that works out in this case, right? But basically, our assumption when we're using this pound sign is that the pound is never going to actually show up in any words. What happens if we have a word,
exactly,
code in the middle of the word?
Jose.
Uh-huh.
Hear me out.
Okay.
If this character isn't in the list of strings, use it as a delimiter.
But then we had to look through the entire string and make sure.
Yeah, that is a little weird.
Yeah.
Okay, my bad.
Right?
You good.
Have something like this. So in that case, when we take this and encode it, we're gonna get something like this as the encoded string, right? And then when we split it, we're gonna have three different words: neat, co, and de. But in the original, you can see we only had two words. But when we get our output, we're gonna end up splitting this into three words, which is not what we wanted to do, right? We want to transform it back into what was originally given to us. So having just a single special character delimiter is not gonna work, because that delimiter could actually show up in some of the words. Wouldn't it be nice if in the encoded string we somehow already knew how many characters would go in the first word, how many characters would go in the second word, etc., etc. So then we could just say, okay, let's take the first four characters, encode it back into the first word, then take the next five characters, encode it into the second word.
Yeah.
Do something like that. Well, one way would basically
the similar approach,
kind of array, right? When we're given this inputs list of strings and we want to encode it to a single string, we can for every single word basically have an integer, right? The first word is 4 characters, the next word is 5 characters, etc. But then where are we going to store this list? Because this is a valid solution if we're storing this list somewhere, but basically in the description they don't want us to store any kind of state variable.
I see.
Okay.
I
so
see that.
So when we wanted to create a dictionary, an array, you can't do that.
You can't do that. Yeah. We have to work with the string itself.
So we keep going. Keep it going.
I'm down.
I mean that brings me to the solution you were saying earlier when you were saying, if it's
with the
neat for, code for, something along the lines of that.
Yeah.
I feel like that's coming up, something along the lines of this.
Yeah.
But it's interesting because, like you said, UTF-8 characters.
Yeah,
a little bit iffy.
Includes numbers. Yeah.
Clat, let us know how it goes, man. We're almost done with the understanding this. A couple more seconds.
We have this list
Let's see.
We cannot store it in a separate data structure? Is it possible for us to store it in the string itself? How about when we're encoding this, we want to know, okay, starting at the beginning here, how many of these characters are going to be in the first word? Well, why not just put that number at the beginning, right? 4 at the beginning of this encoded string. That
But you
works
see,
because
I
at
think the
beginning,
problem
we
with this
transform it into an integer. But one
is
thing
that
is, what if the word
what
is
if we have 4 in the middle
That's what
of
we
the
thought, right?
yeah.
What?
So that's why I was like, yeah, nah.
Okay, let's see what he says. Let's see what he says.
Yeah.
Some integers in it. Well, now we need another delimiter, right? We're going to have our integer always at the beginning. There's always going to be an integer at the beginning. The string is always going to start with an integer. That integer is going to represent what the length of the following word is going to be, but we're going to have a delimiter in between the integer and in between the word itself. So basically, we're going to read each character until we reach the delimiter. And once we reach the delimiter, we're going to take all the characters that we just read, which are going to be transformed into an integer. So this 4 is going to be mapped to 4. And then we're going to count the next 4 characters after the delimiter, which in this case is going to be pound. And that works because we're only going to read one delimiter. We're going to expect a single pound sign no matter what, right? So even if the first character here was a pound, it still works.
Oh, okay. I see.
Read a single
I see.
pound sign.
Okay.
Say, okay, take the next 4 characters,
Okay.
even if they include pound, even if they included some integer like 8 or
All right.
All right. I see.
I
That
think we
makes sense.
got
That
what
makes
we
sense.
wanted. So that's
All right,
how it
brother.
solves that. What's
I'll
up?
be
What's
back.
up?
I'm gonna pick up. Oh yeah, I have to go to the restroom real quick.
Okay,
Give me a
baby,
sec,
do your thing. Do your
give me a
thing.
sec.
Okay, so that explains a little bit more. Jose and I, well, actually, Jose brought it up, saying, "Hey, how about we write it like neat 4 and then code 4 and then love 4 and then you 3." But our issue, which kind of in the video what they said was, what if in the array that you're getting there's a 4 in there? So that means if you say neat 4, but technically that was a string of itself, like how would you know? So that's why, which something we didn't think of, was you have a delimiter in the front to tell you, okay, this is where you stop. 4, you stop, the next 4, boom. Those are what you're gonna get. And then like they mentioned, it doesn't matter if you have the same delimiter that's there because you still see 4 and then the next one, you're gonna grab the next 4. So that's definitely a nice little trick. And so close. We're so close.
Yep.
So close on getting that, but we're so far away. So anyways, Jose.
I'm back. All right.
I think we know how to do this.
Yeah. Alrighty.
So let's start with encode first. Okay,
Okay.
writing the pseudocode. We want to get the words from the list and
Yeah.
length of each word.
Mm-hmm.
Concatenate.
Hey, welcome, Ellie. Welcome to the
Ellie, how's it
stream.
going,
Welcome to
Ellie?
the stream.
Concatenate the length plus a delimiter. Delimiter. Delimiter.
There you go. There you go. Yeah.
Concatenate the length plus a delimiter
Yeah. Plus word.
before the word. Return the string. For decode, go through each character and stop until you hit delimiter. Get the previous character and turn it into an integer.
Yeah, we have to do that. Yep.
From there, go X amount of times after the delimiter and append that to the
String.
list.
Yeah.
The list or whatever. Return list.
Yep, pretty much.
Is that what you're thinking? Is that what you're thinking? Is that what you're thinking?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, how are we gonna do this now? Okay. Think about it. So we have to look through the list, yep, yeah.
So you're gonna have a string. You're gonna have a str equals empty. Yeah or nay?
Yeah.
String. For word in strs, length
We say
equals. I don't know if you
length
need to declare a variable, but length word.
I think
Okay.
before the for loop, I think we should declare the delimiter, no? Just so like we won't have to like
That's beautiful.
yeah, just in case. So like the code would be a little bit more readable. Yeah.
Okay.
I think we
Length
have to do it.
equals
Let me see. Uh-huh.
plus equal length
Plus
plus
delimiter
delimiter
plus
plus
word.
word.
Let's see, print it out.
How do I do that?
Print string. Yeah. There you go. I think you have to call yeah. Wait,
Or it
do we
does it
have
in
to
the.
call it?
I think it does it in the test
All right, let's see.
cases. Indentation block. Oh, was it this? Oh, was it that?
I think so. Ooh.
No output. Okay,
What?
let's see. Length plus. Oh, oh,
Oh,
yeah,
it's not a
yeah.
delimiter.
It's a. Wait, how do you do it? How do you do it?
Oh, I'm not sure. You're
Typecasting
on your
for the
own.
length. Length is a.
Oh,
It's a integer, so you need
I
to
think
change
it's
it. Char?
char.
No,
Yeah, char. Yeah, but it's
no.
char, but in parentheses, no?
Is it? Let's see.
I think so. Let's see.
Or do you just do?
I think it.
No.
No, I think it's char in parentheses with the length. Or just I think if you just add a space or just like add a like
I gotta
try
search it.
doing an empty string plus size. Let me see. Let's see if that works. I remember just like do an empty string. Yeah.
Okay.
Then add plus size right there. Or length in this case. Try running that. Okay. Never mind. Yep.
Oh, is
Never
it
mind.
str?
Ooh, might be onto something.
Yay or nay.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yes, sir. Wait in
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have to pass it to decode.
Okay. Now it goes in
Okay.
decode. From decode for.
Write it down. Can you copy the std out into line 24 just to have like a reference to see how it works? Yeah, just in case we have to. There you go. There you go.
For char in str. If char equals.
Is a digit?
No, because it's a string. Unless is
Well,
digit turns it from a string to an int and then checks if it's a digit.
yeah, I think it does. I think like 4 it checks if 4 is a digit. Let me see. Rogers is a digit word.
Is that what's up with that? Is that like an ice cream truck in the background? What's going on over there?
Yeah, it's
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 8:50 at night.
it's my neighborhood, my guy.
It's 8:50 at night. Who's buying ice cream?
Bro, I might go get some, bro.
Hey,
It's
hey, hey, dude! I don't blame you, man. I don't blame you.
dude, it's sounding the song, bro, is getting me in the
It's
mood for
like
some
it's
ice
like it's in your
cream.
driveway right now. You're saying it's in your
Yeah, it's 'cause
neighborhood. It seems like someone's buying some stuff right now outside your house.
no, it's because of my neighborhood, right? It's like a little circle,
A
right? So
cul-de-sac.
all the yeah.
Okay.
So the truck goes in the middle of the circle, so all my neighbors can hear it. Just in the
Oh, okay,
middle.
okay.
Yeah. Apologize though.
No, it's all
Apologize.
good. It's all good.
Yeah.
I was just curious.
Yeah. I know worries. You're good. You're good. Yes. And to confirm, yes, is digit works with strings.
Strings,
Yeah. So
but
it's
we
gonna
want to
be
see
charged
if
up.
we want to get the delimiter though. Yeah or nay?
Yeah, but what if we hit the okay, you wanna do the delimiter first?
Like we're going. Okay, it's whatever delimiter. Then we get everything before the delimiter. Yay or nay? If that's what I understood. But
Yes. Yeah.
okay.
Let me see. So for that we have to make
Yeah, I was gonna
okay,
say if
yeah.
char equals the delimiter.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Because this isn't global.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's why I was thinking maybe we should just hard code the delimiter on this one.
Yeah, I'm down.
Okay.
I mean it works the same way, no?
It will work, yeah, but it's for some like
Okay,
we
yeah,
have
bet.
we have a variable for it, but we can't use it over here.
All right, fair enough. Yeah.
For if char is the delimiter, then what does it say?
We have
Then
to
get
get
the
everything.
previous.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. I was thinking, why not get all the numbers until
uh-huh.
we hit a char?
Until we hit the char. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So what are you thinking on that one? You're thinking there's another.
Uh-huh.
Okay, hear me out. There's
Uh-huh.
another empty string. The empty string is gonna hold the numbers or whatever, and you turn the string into an int. Unless there's another way you're thinking. What are you thinking?
Or what if we
What
just
if?
ooh, okay. That
What
okay.
if? What
Yeah,
if? What if?
I think that would work. Yes. I think that would work.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
I'll take my statement. If you want, you can call it length,
Length,
just to make sure.
length. Okay. If char equals,
I think we need a while.
well, that's what the for loop is, eh?
Yeah,
And then
that
this,
is true.
after it's done, then it just gets reverted back to empty.
Okay.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
So for char in string, if char not equal the delimiter,
We're
then
gonna
that
continue.
means we want to add it to the length plus equals char, right. Else, that means it equals the delimiter.
Okay.
Okay, we're on to something. I see a problem. There's a problem here.
I think I see one too. Because what if we hit a match with the pound inside a word, and now we have like letters inside length?
There wouldn't be because we're stopping at the first pound.
Yeah, but what if about the next pound?
What if there's a next pound right
Right.
here?
Uh-huh. Wait,
Well,
no. Oh, no. Let's get the N right there on the second E, put a pound.
this one?
Yeah. Now N is gonna be in length.
Well, because that's the thing is we're saying
Oh, okay, never
four
mind.
after
Yeah.
this.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. My bad.
What I was thinking
Yeah.
is that how are we going to, in the else, shouldn't it be get the the length of words ahead of this. Does that make sense?
Line. Alright, I got line 25 is wrong. STR is supposed to
Oh,
be S.
thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Kat. Thank you.
Right in the else. That mean in the else.
Well,
What I'm saying is we're gonna get these words or no.
we can do +1. Just get plus. Wait a minute.
Oh,
Or we can just
wouldn't it
hold
be a
the.
while loop right here? A while loop. Else
Or we can.
while the
Uh-huh.
length. Okay, what's up?
No, I would say just hold the index. No. For example, the index of where we first hit the char, right? Add +1, so we can start at n and just n plus the length, and we're just gonna get that substring from there. Does that make sense? No?
That makes sense. I think. I think it does.
Yeah. Well, what's your idea though?
I don't know. That's what I was saying. I was thinking else. Where the task we need to do in the else is it do we get the next four or the next
Mm,
X amount of characters ahead? Is that what we're trying to do
Yes,
in the else?
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. After
So
the
in that
pound.
case, I mean there's different ways. I mean what you said, I was saying with the length, since we have the length, which
Mm-hmm.
it will be four in this case,
Mm-hmm.
we
Mm-hmm.
say while int length, then you or while or for for I in range length. Wait. Sorry. And length like that. That you do the array dot append or whatever. You do the adding to the array. You add the word to the array,
Beer, beer.
and you have the or you have the string again, something like that. I don't know if it's redundant, but then you do the wait
Yeah, I get you, I get you.
wait.
Let me see, let me see.
Well, we're saying for char and s, so that means right here it's not moving forward. We're still in the char. We're still at we're
Uh-huh.
still at the delimiter part.
Yeah.
Else, how do we tell it to go the next four ahead? That's my issue.
Mm,
That's my issue that I'm
that's
having with this approach that
that's
I was
why
thinking.
that's why I was thinking of using a substring, because a substring I feel like it'd be easier since we don't have to deal with the like a loops, like looping through it or anything. We just like tell it to like get a substring from this index to this index
Oh yeah.
and then give it to the array list. And like Clat said, you can do s dot remove char, like you can remove like a part of the string. We can say s dot remove this substring that we got, and we removes it from the string. I don't know if that makes sense.
Hmm.
Jeremy.
Interesting. So you're saying use a substring function to say
Hmm.
go
From
one
there,
ahead,
uh-huh, we
which
get the
means
4.
we're at n, and you get, or you just say get the next four, which is one, two, three, four, right?
Yeah, get the next 4. Yep.
And then we delete all this.
Yeah.
How do you delete? How do you delete all that?
Clat gave us an s remove function, but we can also just, we don't have to really delete it. We just have to loop through it again. Well, we do have to delete it because
Because once you remove this substring,
If we don't remove it, we're gonna hit the pound sign. The
do we
second
need to
pound.
remove it? I don't think we need to. We just say,
Oh, we just set the next substring to the next.
I was
Yeah.
thinking, okay, we're saying, okay, we got the length, we got 4, right? We're saying the next 4 we do, we're adding it to the array.
Uh-huh.
So for char, you have something where it checks the count or something, or I don't know.
Okay,
But
like an
basically,
index.
you're doing the next 4, so you're saying n pound et. Once that's done, the character it's gonna be at 4, and it knows the count is at 0, which means don't append anymore since the count's at 0. Now you're checking for the next delimiter.
But I don't think char is gonna move to 4. Char is gonna keep going to n in the pound.
Right here.
Yeah.
Well, I'm saying that else, if it equals the pound, then that means there's an outside integer variable count or something. This is just example. Count equals 0. So then whenever it goes to the next character in S, which is this one, you're gonna say if count greater than 0 or whatever, it's saying append arr.append char, and then that's all it does. And then it doesn't do any of this, and then keeps going. And then let's say it was at 4, now it's at 3. You gotta do count minus equals 1, and then append it again, and you're at 2, and then keep going until you get it done. If count's greater than 0, it's not gonna run. You're gonna do this now, the same thing, until you get the delimiter again, and then count gets changed to the integer, whatever it was. This next one's gonna be 4, so it's at 4 again. If count's greater than 4, then you append code. You know what I'm saying? Am I tripping or am I not tripping?
You got me confused with the count minus 1.
Well, because all right, let me try this again.
This is
All
just
right, hear me out.
just to enter Clad's comment. Let me get this correct. We're just removing the pound and the digit to the right.
And the
we're
digit,
trying to.
right?
Oh, digit right. Okay, yeah, my bad. I think we need to delete the digit, the pound, and the substring, so we won't have to deal with the pounds inside the words. If
And
that makes sense.
I'm arguing that you don't need to delete it.
I'm pretty sure that you don't need to delete it. We can just work it out with the substring, right? For example, yeah.
And this is what I was thinking. That need me to explain it again or no?
Oh yeah.
You said you're confused.
You said you're confused. You lost me. Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
So, for char and S, we're at 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
Imagine. Okay, this right here is only gonna run if it meets the requirement. After it's done, this is not gonna run. So I guess continue or something, right? Continue.
Okay.
It ignores all this. Okay. So if this meets, this is the only thing running.
Mm-hmm.
This ain't running anymore. If this doesn't meet, then it's just this running. Okay. Ready? So count is at 0. Okay. It starts off at 0. We're at 4. Okay. For char and S, char is 4. Char not equal to delimiter, length plus, okay, 4 gets added to the string, to this right here. Next one, we're at the delimiter. If char not equal to delimiter, that's false. Else, this runs, okay? Once this runs, you're going to say count equals the int of the length. This right here. So now count is 4. So whenever we run this again, now we're at n. So if count is greater than 0, append n. count minus 1, you're at 3. You continue. So now you're at the next char. You're at the delimiter.
Oh.
If 3 is greater than 0, append the next char. So that's
Oh,
that
okay.
one.
I see.
Minus
I
it,
see.
continue, keep going, keep going.
Uh-huh.
When you're at 0,
It's
okay,
not gonna do anything.
it's not
Yeah,
going to do anything
okay.
anymore. That means you're
Okay,
checking if
okay.
that current char, which is going to be 4, and also the length goes back to normal. So I guess right
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
length equals that. So length back to normal, and then you're at 4. So then you add the length, whatever, and then same thing. You hit the delimiter, blah blah blah, and then now you do the next. Now you do the next 4, blah 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 blah.
Oh, I see. I see. I was thinking that you were trying to go backwards. I was like, huh. Why are we going backwards? But I see. I see. Okay. I see. I see.
And in this way, you won't need to figure out and let me just remove this, and then you
Yeah,
remove
yep, yep,
it,
yep,
and then
yep.
you're like, okay, where am I at? Am I
Yeah.
here or am I technically still there? Because we're doing for char and s, we're not doing for I in range, and we're not at an index. We're at a
Yeah.
character.
Yep, yep, yep. Okay. I see. I like it. I like it. But I think we're gonna need another string because if we do r.append, we're just appending each character.
Well, yeah, this was just showing an example that right here
Okay,
you're gonna
okay.
just add it to the array, and of course, whenever you're done, to snip it, and then you do the next element in the array. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Okay,
Right?
okay.
Because the final array needs to be neat, and then
Yeah.
once it's done, you gotta snip it, and then you gotta say code, and then you know what I'm saying?
Or why don't we just have create another string and just add the chart to the string, and then after we're done, just
Yeah,
concatenate it,
yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, 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 okay. I see, I
Something
see, I
like
see. I
that.
see.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
This is just like a pseudo almost, a
It
pseudo
works, it
code
works. I
almost.
like it, I like it. Let's try
But
it out. Let's
yeah,
try it out.
okay.
Let's try it out. Yeah. Yeah. Just to read a little bit with the chat. Wait, wouldn't this work if char equals pound or char is digit, then remove? Ooh, that would work too. That would work too. Actually, that would work too. Let me see. Let
If
me see. Let me see. Let
char
me see.
is digit,
Yeah, I think that would work. Mm,
so
I'm
you're
thinking.
removing
I'm
as you
thinking.
go.
Yeah, you're removing as you go. You remove 4, you remove pound, you get the next 4. You remove that. You're gonna. I think that would work. Actually, yes. This is yes. That would work. Yeah. But if let's try it out Carter's way, because he has something on. He's cooking something
We're
up.
cooking something. We're
We're
cooking.
good. We're
You're cooking
we're
too.
good.
You're cooking like pasta. I'm cooking
So
like a
you're
salad or
cooking the
something.
sauce. You're cooking the
Yeah,
sauce,
I'm
bro.
cooking the
You're
sauce. Yeah,
adding
I'm
the
cooking the
flavor. You're adding
sauce,
the
baby.
flavor.
You're
Yes,
cooking the
sir.
main dish. You know, I'm cooking the side stuff. The
Nah, nah,
side
nah,
stuff.
nah, 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 nah,
Yeah,
nah.
yeah.
We're cooking. We good. We good. All
Okay,
right.
so where are
All
we
right.
starting at? So we have a
Yeah.
count.
Yeah.
We're saying if count, then we need to figure out how to put it in array. Um,
I was thinking. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna let you go. I'm
no,
gonna let you
no,
go.
I need you to cook right here because I'm
Oh
kind
yeah.
of. You said a
I was
string.
thinking. Yeah, I was thinking a string because it's easier since we just add the append the string
String is gonna be out
to the
here,
array. Yeah.
so it's gonna be empty as well.
Mm-hmm.
So then, so then you're saying string plus equals char.
Yes. Yes.
Wait,
Yes.
okay. So
But
then,
yeah. Yep. 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 Yep.
whenever this is done, it's whenever this is done and it runs again, where do you append it? You append it at the top?
Yes. But just check.
Check what?
Thinking if this is not gonna cause any problems. Because if we leave it there, it's gonna append. It's always
It's gonna
gonna
do it
append
each
the.
time.
Yeah.
It's gonna append empty. So it's saying if string is not empty, then append.
Yeah.
If there's
Yeah.
something in the
Yeah.
string, then that means this
Yeah.
ran, and that means it's done. So then append it, right?
Oh.
If length str or string equals
I think
0,
that's
not equals 0. What do you think? What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
because this thing is not a loop for itself, so it's gonna append n, and then it's gonna do r dot append n, and then we're gonna go again with the if. We're gonna append the pound, then we're gonna append the n pound to the string. You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't think that would
Oh yes,
work.
yes, yes. You're right. You're right. You're right.
You
You're
get me?
right. You're right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there.
Where was there? Where was there? Hen, why don't you guys solve the problem in LeetCode instead of NeetCode ID? Because on LeetCode, this problem's for premium, so it's locked.
Yeah.
One of the only ways that we can do it is on NeetCode, so that's why we're here. But for the LeetCode, with the problems that are not premium, we're gonna do it on LeetCode for sure. But just this
Yeah.
one because it's on premium, so we're forced to do third parties.
Yeah.
Like
Clat
that, we
said,
eating good anyways. Yes, sir.
"Hey,
That
hey, I'm a little bit
is.
of a chef sometimes. I'm a little bit of a chef.
Yeah. And Carlos like turns like he has a ratatouille on his hat, bro. Boom, 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 boom,
I have
boom, boom, boom,
something. I have
boom.
something.
Yeah, of course.
It's I don't know what it is. Something.
Nah. You always, my guy. Always.
So
All
we're
right.
having an
Let's see.
issue with
When to append?
when to append.
We can check again. Say if count equals 0 in the if statement, we just return right there in the if statement. Right there, we can do if count equals 0, just append it. String and then reset string to empty string. Yeah, right there.
And also, is greater than 0 the right one? I was thinking about that. If it's at 4, it's at 3, it's at 2, it's at 1, it goes down. Yeah, okay, that's fine. That works.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we're okay, let's what happened?
Bro, Card is the type to
Hey, on the
microwave
low,
this.
on the low, there no one's gonna
Yeah.
know if it's microwave. No one's gonna know. You wanna do a rundown on this one? So we're saying
Yeah.
we're
Let's
at
see.
4, chars 4. If count is greater than 0, count is not greater than 0. Then you say char, which is 4, not equal to them. Yep, it's not equal. So length plus equals char. So this is 4. We're
Yeah.
at the delimiter now. Count. Yep. Else, we're here. Count equals int dot length, which is int length, which is
Which
4,
is uh-huh.
and length gets reset. So now that's reset.
Length is okay.
Count equals
Count
4,
is
right?
4.
Here's where we're at.
Uh-huh.
Now we're at the next char. We're at n.
Which is n. Uh-huh.
If count is greater than 0, it is string plus equals char. We're at n, you do char. Count minus, we're at 3.
3.
If
We're at the
count
pound.
is equal to 0, append count is not equal
Which
to
is
0. So we continue. Now we're at the pound. If count greater than, string plus pound, Okay, count minus,
minus.
This doesn't go, okay. Next one, we're at the E. Count greater than, did I already minus it? Yeah, I did. We're at the E. So then you do the E. Count minus, we do 1. Count not equals, and then we're at the next one. We're at 4. We're at T.
T.
The count greater than 0, it is. We add
Yep.
the T, boom.
Uh-huh.
T is added, count minus 1, 0. If count equals
0.
0, which it does, we're going to append to the array the string, and then string is going to be reset to empty. And you continue. Now we're at the 4. So 4, this doesn't count because count's not greater than 0. 4 is not equal to the delimiter, so length plus equals char, which is 4,
Okay.
and then the
Uh-huh.
same stuff. From what
I
it
like it.
seems.
I like
From
it.
what it seems.
Okay, I think it works. I think it works.
You think so?
I'm hoping, bro. I'm trusting you, bro.
Now,
I trust you.
the next thing, what I'm worried about is this right here.
Uh-huh.
ARR.append string. So the next time it appends, how is it? How does it know when to close? When to close the like if it's and like this? Is it
Uh-huh.
if it appends the next string, is it gonna do this or is it gonna
No.
do?
It's just gonna append the next string. It's gonna append the string, comma, append the next string, comma, append the next string, comma, append the next string.
But how does that know? How does a pen know when to cut it off? I might be having a brain fart, but
Because
how does it know when to
because
stop it?
string has a value, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's just gonna append that value and it's gonna forget about it. Right? It has neat. It has the neat has is a string. It's gonna
Okay,
append
I
that
see it.
string,
I see it.
and then it's gonna forget about it,
A
and it's gonna append the next thing.
append.
Right?
So let's say talking integers, it would be 0. If you're appending something, it's always gonna be a comma 1. Anytime you append,
Yeah.
it's a comma. It's a
Yeah.
comma. The
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I
Yeah.
get it now. I get it now. That's on me. That's on me.
No
So
worries. No
then,
worries.
lastly, we're gonna say
Do we have to call
return.
it or something?
What do you mean?
Like,
We're
do
just
we
gonna
have to
return.
call? Okay.
No,
Okay.
we don't. We don't.
All right. Bet, bet, bet,
At
bet,
least I
bet.
don't think we do. So like this.
Alrighty, run it.
Should I delete this? Nah, I want to
No,
delete it.
no, 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 no. Leave it there. Leave it there.
All right, see what we get. See what we get. See what we get.
Oh, 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 oh.
Should we
Yo,
add? Should we? Oh, we can't add test cases. Okay.
we
So
on to something?
should we change it up? Change it up a bit. Oh, I can't even change it.
Or
Okay.
you get check the output?
Output looks fine, man. Output looks
Okay.
good.
Should we submit? Question mark, question mark?
You want? I mean, this won't dink our submission rate in our
Yeah,
account,
go for it, go for it, go for it,
so
go
I don't
for it.
really care. Let's see. Mother.
Oh, not even the second test case. Oh my god. Let's see. It's an empty string.
Oh, now I could use my own test case. Before it was X'd out. Now I can though. Once, if I was allowed to, I would have done that already. But okay, it's empty,
Empty.
so it needs to be like that. It
Uh-huh.
need it needed to have this in it.
I'm curious what print out the string we're sending on Decode.
Right here.
Yeah, on Decode, yeah, right there. Print out S. Okay, we're getting comma 0. So all right, let's run it down with 0 then. So we got 0. Uh-huh.
Char
We
and
got
S
0.
0. 0 is not it. So then 0 gets added to the length.
Uh-huh.
Then next one, you're at the
Count.
delimiter, means this equals
Count equals 0.
0. Count equals 0. Length is back to this. Since count equals 0, there's nothing else in the char, so that's it.
So I guess we just had an empty string.
I mean,
What
yeah,
happens
yeah,
if
yeah,
we
yeah. Whenever it's a 0, you append an empty string.
yeah, think so.
And it's only ever gonna be a 0. Oh, it could be a 0 at the end too. So yeah, you need to have it. You can't. I was thinking doing it like a messy way, like if length of the array is 0, then
I
add the empty
think,
string.
I think, I think the only way we're gonna have wait,
We can have a
yeah,
0 at the end. You can have
yeah.
you can have
Um,
nothing at the end, right or no?
but I think so. I go to the where we declared the array, the ARR on top, a little bit on top, and just put an empty quotations. Run that. Oh,
Now it starts off with
oh.
this. I'm thinking that they could have an uh empty quotes anywhere in the array.
Okay, okay,
I
I
have a
see.
feeling that that's
Yeah, yeah.
something. Wait. String. Yeah. Look right here. The length of the.
Okay.
Oh no, that's this right here. This right here.
Yep. I get you.
So 0 could be anywhere. It can't. It's not just gonna be in the beginning or the end. It's anywhere. Yo, we're getting some subs, man. Appreciate it. Please leave a like too if you
Hey, we
can.
got 3 subs.
Please
Actually,
leave a
no
like.
way.
Please leave a like. We
Very
stream
nice.
weekly. We stream weekly.
We stream weekly. Yes,
We
sir.
stream
Yes,
weekly.
sir.
Um.
I mean, we just check on after before the first if statement. We just check.
Oh, right here. If count equals 0,
Ooh,
then the append empty to the array.
pen empty. Yeah. Okay, go for it. Think you have to do a little bit of tabs.
A
There
little
you
bit
go.
of what?
Yeah.
Why
Tab.
why why didn't it automatically? That's what. That's how it did it.
That's weird. That's
That
weird.
is weird. It's kind of throwing me off a little bit.
Yep. Same here.
We don't even need to reset anything, right? Because it automatically,
Yeah.
right?
We
If
could
it's
do it.
0, yeah. Let's see.
Yeah. Okay.
Remember,
So good.
this is not hurting our submission rate.
Not hurting
So
our
I'm
mission rate.
okay. I'm not okay with seeing a failure. I'm not okay because it still hurts me. It still
Yeah.
gets a ding in my heart. But you want me to submit it?
Hey, but we're still learning. Yeah. So I'm
Okay,
down. I'm
okay.
down.
Hey,
Oh, we got it.
Did I mess
Let's
up?
go.
Oh, I thought I
No,
messed
we
up.
got. Yeah, me too. I was like, wrong answer. What the heck? But we got it, we got it. Let's
Good
go.
stuff.
Let's go. Yes, sir.
Good stuff.
Yes,
Should I erase
sir.
all this? I erase all that.
No, don't.
Oh, okay.
I wouldn't say to erase the pseudocode because
Don't
the
erase
pseudocode
the
actually,
pseudocode. Okay.
yeah, the pseudocode's actually something that like it gives a little description of what we did, like
You're
we
right.
actually did. Sometimes we deviate and the pseudocode becomes like, but I like the pseudocode. Now you want to
Oh
explain to me, guys?
man,
Because this is all you. This is all you.
I could do a little bit explaining. I could do something else.
Yeah, of course.
I could do something. This
But
might be
bet.
boring if you already know what's going on, but just for our sake, we like to explain it just so we could reiterate everything we just did. Then we show them the solution on NeetCode first. So this is the solution that they gave. Seems like it's a substring method they did right here, if I'm not mistaken. Si to j. Yeah. Res, they created an empty array, I equals 0, while I is less
Oh,
than the length.
that's an interesting way to do a substring.
Yeah. It was I to j. Int I to j. Interesting. Okay, quick. I'm gonna try to explain this in less than 30 seconds.
Yeah, for sure. You do you.
Is there a timer on here?
I got you timed. I got you timed. I got you timed on my watch, bro. I got
Okay,
you. I
ready?
got you. I got you.
Let me know when
Yes,
to go.
sir. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, so for this problem, we got to encode and decode input of list of strings. So for what we do on the encode function, we're gonna get a list of strings and we gotta return a string. So we create an empty string and then we want to concatenate the length plus the delimiter before the word, which means that we want to get the length of the word and we want to put in the front of it, and you also want to include delimiter. In this case, we use the hashtag. So what we did is we looped through the words
All right,
in
that's
this.
time.
God, give me some more time, man.
Bro, you said 30 seconds.
Ref.
You said 30 seconds. You said 30 seconds.
Okay, let me
That's
try
on
again.
you.
Let me try
Yeah,
again. Let me
for
try
sure.
again. 30 seconds
Yeah, yeah.
again.
All right, 30 seconds. Ready? Give me a sec. Give me a sec. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so for this question, we want to encode and decode a list of strings. So what we do is create an empty string. We loop through the words in this. Oh damn! Oh man, I'm done. I'm cooked. I don't want to continue.
All right, yeah, just take your time. Take your time. Take your
Okay,
time.
okay. We get an empty string. We loop through the words in the string list. We get the length of each word. We add the delimiter and the length before the word. From there, we return the string, and in order to decode it, we want to go through each character of the string that we got inputted, and then you stop whenever you hit the delimiter. Once you hit the delimiter, then that means you want to get the previous values before the delimiter, which would be the length. So let's say it's a 4, then that means we want to turn that into an integer because we need to go 4 times ahead of the delimiter. So that's why we want to turn it into an integer. And then we store the string in this variable of the four characters ahead of the delimiter. We store it in here. And then after that, we want to append it. We want to append it to the array. Once we append it to the array, that means we go to the next character, and then we do the same method over and over again. And that's why we have the count, so we know how much we go ahead of the delimiter, and then that's about it. Lastly, we added this little safety measure. If there's an empty element in the list or the string, if there's something empty, then that means we gotta add a set of string in the array. So that's why that's here. I'm done.
You're done? Bro, look at the Discord, bro. Look at Jonathan's solution,
happening
bro.
in
You're
the
gonna be
Discord?
mad. You're gonna be mad. You on the coding help.
Won't work for any arbitrary string, but
But look
passes
at
all
his
the
solution,
test
bro.
cases.
Look at his solution.
Return wrong if not strs, else dot delimiter dot join strs. Return split if s not equals. Anyways, thank you, Jonathan,
Thank you,
for
Jonathan. Thank you,
that
Jonathan.
solution. We appreciate that. All right, what's the next problem? Well, we got to change our insane levels real quick,
I'm down. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
but I think this is our next problem right here. Our final problem in the
Final
array and
problem.
hashing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We're gonna do this
Sir, sir.
in LeetCode actually. Let's see. There you go. But before
Yep, yep.
that, we're gonna quickly give an update on how we're feeling. How we're feeling
All right.
in our insane levels. Jose, how you
Insane
thinking?
level. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling pretty good. You know, yeah, it's because you took this one. You went, you were carrying me on this one. You were cooking, but you're like, all the ingredients in there. So I'm feeling with
Mm-hmm.
a 3, 4. I'm gonna say a 4. I'm a 4.
You're a 4?
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
I'm a 4. Because that one did get me a little bit stressed because I wasn't understanding. But I'm
Okay,
a 4
okay.
now. I'm a 4
Right
now.
now,
But yeah,
I increased my level right now trying to explain it in under 30 seconds.
You
So
did that to yourself, my guy.
I'm at a 5. My
In
head
a 5?
hurts.
Alright.
My head
Go
hurts
to
after
bed.
that
No
one.
worries. No worries.
So, okay. Hopefully it goes down with this problem. Most likely not. Most likely not.
I mean, Jonathan said this one is a dozy one, a doozy one.
That's not what I wanted to
So,
hear.
embrace
Doozy
yourself.
as in it's boring, like, oh, it's so easy. Oh, never mind.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, never
Alrighty.
mind.
Alrighty.
Okay,
Alrighty.
let's get right into it,
I'm
Jose.
gonna trust you, Jonathan. I'm gonna trust you.
You want me to read it? I'll read it.
Alrighty.
I'll read it. I'll read it.
You read it. Yeah,
Okay.
go for it.
Doing our second medium problem of the day. Have we completed 2 medium problems before on the stream?
Yes. No, we have. I don't think. No, we have not. We have not.
Okay.
Wait, we have not. Yep.
We're trying to make history here, everyone. We're trying to make history.
Channel history.
We got to see what happens, but we're doing 238 product of array except self, medium problem, and you're given an integer array nums, return an array answer such that answer at index I is equal to the product of all the elements of nums except nums I. The product of any prefix or suffix of nums is guaranteed to fit in a 32-bit integer. You must write an algorithm that runs in O of n time and without using the division operation.
Eesh.
We're cooked.
Yep, Jonathan just took it back. He said it's hard. It's a hard one.
Okay.
Yep, it's a hard one.
I still don't understand the problem, so let me look at the example. So for the example, you got an input of nums 1, 2, 3, 4. The output is 24 because excluding 1, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. You go to the next one, excluding 2, 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, I'm seeing it. You go to the next one, 3, excluding 3, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, that matches. Lastly, you're at 4, excluding 4, 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. Seems
okay.
Understanding it a little bit better. Let's look at example 2. If you're at index 0, -1, excluding -1, 1 times 0, 0, -3 times... Oh.
It's 0. It's still 0.
Why?
Because you have 1 times 0 times 3 times -3 times 3.
1
So
times
it's
0
1 times 0.
is 0.
0 times -3.
Oh, okay, my bad.
0.
I went ahead.
So, yeah.
I went to -3 and 3, and I looked, and it's 0. And I was like, what? Why is it 0? Okay, so it's 0. Okay. That's my bad. So now you're at 1. You're at index 1. -1 times 0, 0. 0 times -3, 0. 0 times 3, 0. And then you're at 0. 0 times 1. -1 is 0. Wait. No. -1 times 1. -1. -1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3, 9. Okay. Oh, and then the rest are 0. Anyways, that's... Oh. Okay.
It's a tough one.
Do this in O of n times, so you got to do it as you're going.
You know what that I can't talk today. You know what this means? We can't use what's it called? Nested for loops. So that's gonna make it a little bit harder.
Nested for loops would be like a brute force approach, right? Or no?
Yeah, I would say so. Yep.
Or no?
I think the only solution here is like a brute force. Like you have to loop through them and like match them up and stuff. Multiply them. So.
And you can't use a division operation. I could see why, because I was thinking you do the something along the lines. I don't know if this works, but you get the
Mm-hmm.
product of everything and you divide the nums
Oh,
I,
divide by, yeah. Okay.
something
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
that. Does that
Yep,
give it?
yep.
Does that actually give it the right? 1 times 2,
Oh,
2. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 4, 24.
I don't
Divided
think
by
so.
1 is 24. That works. And then you do 2. 1 times 3, 3. 3 times 4, 12.
Oh,
12 divided. Wait. No. Oh, it's still
it's
24.
24
24 divided by
divided
2
by
is
2,
12.
12.
I mean, yeah, okay. It would work.
It would work. Yep,
That's why
yep.
you can't use the division operation. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Oh, let's see. Let's think it through.
We've done something like this. Not like a problem like this, but something where O of n times and then
Yeah.
you like
I mean, uh-huh.
I don't remember actually, now that I'm thinking about it.
So, well, what does it mean open? So, I was since I hate those problems that say, "Oh, you have to do an O and M."
It means while you're looping through nums, by the time you're at the end of nums, you should have the output ready.
Yeah. Or I think, let me see.
I remember, Jose. I remember.
Uh-huh.
There was a problem where it was O of n plus k,
Yeah.
and k was a constant, so it was O of
Yeah.
n.
Yeah.
I think
Which
that's what we
is
got to
yeah.
do here.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Something
Let me
along the
think.
lines of
Let me
that.
see.
And the k was a lookup. It was a for loop lookup of the dictionary in a dictionary.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
So it wasn't an O of n because everything was O of 1. Right? If I'm understanding. No. Nah.
No,
I don't know if I understood
it
that right.
was it was n plus k, and we
N
dropped the
plus k, we
constants.
dropped the
We just
constant,
left.
which was O of
We're
n.
just left with n. I was thinking the same thing. We can do a nested for loop. Hmm.
Someone said use prefix and
Fix
suffix
and
array.
suffix array.
I'm gonna be real. I don't know
I'm
what that
not. I'm
is.
not.
We're not familiar with that. Or I'm
Are we
not.
talking
I'm
about
not gonna speak.
words?
I'm not gonna speak for Jose. But thank you for
Yeah,
your
I'm not.
comment. I don't think I've seen you here before. Appreciate you stopping by.
Yeah. Hey,
Welcome,
welcome to
welcome,
the
welcome.
stream.
Leave a like if you want. Leave a like.
Hey, next to the like is the subscribe button. You know.
Subscribe if you want as well.
Yeah. And next to it is the share button. So you know.
We're
All
getting
right,
another. We're
class.
getting another perspective. Hit him.
Another perspective is on each iteration, that value needs to be a one to execute it from being multiplied. That value needs to be a one to exclude it from being multiplied. Remember, it's on each iteration. That value needs to be a one to exclude it from being multiplied. On each iteration. No, I'm not getting you, class. I'm not getting you.
Store the product of array before itself and for after as well. Store the product of array before itself and for after as well.
Oh, okay. So I think I'm getting it already. The prefix and suffix. For example, let's get 3 on example 1.
Example 1. 3.
Yeah, you get 1 times 2, 6. Right. That's the prefix. The suffix is 4. You get me? And let's say we had a 5, the suffix would be 20. So it'd be 2 times 20, which is 40. I don't know. Am I getting it right? Yeah, yes? Okay. 1 times 2. Yeah, 1 times 2. And let's say we had a 5, 4 times 5, that'd be the suffix. You get me, Carlos?
No, I'm a little bit slow. A little bit slow right now.
Yeah. Hey, take your time, take your time.
I got what you're saying right here. You said for 3. Actually, no, I didn't. I understood
For,
though earlier what you meant with the first example.
for example, 3, we get the suffix, the prefix. What's the
Suffix.
prefix?
The
The
prefix
prefix
is
is
1 times 2.
1, 2. Yeah. The suffix is 4.
4.
It's just 4. You just
4
multiply those two
times.
numbers,
Uh-huh.
and that we get the value for 3.
So do you get this prefix and suffix for every element?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, that's the approach. I don't know about the implementation, so I'm not really thinking about it like the implementation. I'm just trying to understand what's the prefix and suffix.
Interesting. For every element. So for 1, you gain only the suffix.
For first element, it's always 1, and then as you go forward, you multiply the element. Yes. For every element, that will be O of n. Okay. Let me see. Let me do research on this prefix and suffix.
You know what, Jose? Side note. You know what I think is crazy?
Yep.
Is that on my Discord it shows like whenever I'm streaming, like on my profile.
Yep.
I wonder if like the Discords I'm in, like in the class Discords,
Oh.
where there's only like maybe 10 or 15, if they ever look at it and see that I never join. And like we've been chatting with our classmate the whole time. Like Clat could be our classmate. You never know.
Ooh, like they come from the classes?
Yeah. And we've been chatting with our classmate.
Ooh, that'd be crazy, dude.
That would be crazy. Anyways.
Actually,
oh, go.
because I went to another, adding to the note, because I went to one of our class Discords, and it does say like your profile name. However, it says streaming solving LeetCode problems until we go insane. Sane-To-Insane 21.
Yeah.
Eh, Pat saying we should plug the Discord. We should.
For suffix, you will
like,
move from in to first. Okay. The YouTube algorithm. Hey, it's working a little bit. It's working, you know. I say it's working pretty good. We got 300 subs. All right.
Yeah, and we got Clad in the chat.
We got Clad.
Yeah.
We got we got everyone.
Yes, sir. Hey, we appreciate everybody here. Everybody who's helping us in this journey.
Where we at? Sorry, I went on side note.
Okay, so for suffix, you move from end to first.
From the end all the way to the front. Yes.
Suffix. Okay. I'm assuming and
I understand. Oh, thank you. You have a good one. Thank you for the hints. We appreciate it. I understand the idea.
Yep.
1, get the prefix, suffix, but how is that O of n? If you're at 2, you get the prefix, which is...
Hey, thank you. I don't know if I'm mispronouncing your name. Sai? Gurkiratsai? Thank you for joining the stream.
Appreciate it.
Sorry if I mispronounced your name. And Clad the Man says you should join the NeetCode Discord server and plug your YouTube stream. It's pretty active. Actually, I didn't know how to Discord. We might look into it. But me personally, I don't like spamming, like just going to Discord and just spamming or like, yeah. If it comes up like, hey, like naturally, we might plug it, right? Like, hey, we're YouTubers, blah, blah, yes. But now for us to go like, oh, spam the link, but hey, I might join the Discord and see how it's going, and here and there trying to get some people into the stream for sure. Thank you, Kat. Thank you. All right, so Pacifics. To my understanding, I was thinking about it, right? We should break it into. If you want to follow this, I'm down to follow this path because it does look interesting. I don't know about you.
I mean, that's the only path that I have, and the only hint we got. So,
All right.
oh, there's hints right here.
Hey,
Ooh.
okay, I'm done. I'm done. For one
Hint
hit,
number
one
one.
hit.
Hint number one.
Hit number one. Let's see. Utilize
Oh
prepaid
my.
suffix products to calculate the parity accepted. Okay, so to my understanding,
Yes, yes. That's what I was thinking. Is do they mean to have that prefix already set aside, so whenever you need it again, you just add it to the. But then I was thinking in my head,
can you pre-compute the prefix and suffix products in a linear time to avoid redundant calculations?
so if you already have the prefix of 1 and 2, and let's say you're at 4, you could say 2, and then I don't know, dude. That's
All right,
you could
let's get
say
the prefix set. Let's get the prefix set up first.
okay.
All right. So how does the prefix work? All right, so we're gonna, to my understanding, it's n to the first to the last, right? So I'm gonna say 1 times 2 times 3, but except 4. Alrighty?
Okay.
That's gonna be the suffix, that's gonna be the prefix for 4. 3 is gonna be 1 to 2, 2 is gonna be 1, and 1 is gonna equal to 0. Yeah?
Yes.
That's a prefix. All right, so we're gonna write loop through the array from n from 0 to length minus 2. Why minus 2? Because we want to jump the last one. I think we want to jump 4, right? Because the prefix is from 1 to 3, not 1 to 4. And length minus 2 is going to stop us at 3. Does that make sense? Yep, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah? Then look through that. Again, then we're going to multiply, get the product from n, right? From 0 to n, 0 to n. And I think we need to get another array where we're going to, because we need to store it somewhere. So store it in another array. But yeah, to my understanding.
SB welcome man or woman welcome. They said answer
SB
equals
welcome
prefix I times
times
suffix
suffix
I.
I.
So easy. Yeah. There's just prefix I, suffix I. Duh.
No, but it does make sense though. It does make sense, and I think we're gonna use that. I think we're gonna use it somewhere in the solution. But I
I
think we should
wasn't,
get the
just to clarify,
suffix.
SB, I wasn't
Yeah.
making fun of you. I was making fun of us because we don't, or I don't actually. I don't know how to calculate suffix right now. I'll just mess around. Sorry.
Clad Trump Biden. Ooh, I'm gonna plead the fifth on this one. You know,
I
I'm
mean, what the recent news is Biden's out, so I don't know if it's Trump or
yo. Sorry to interrupt. Grades are posted.
huh?
Grades are posted.
You're lying.
Grades are posted. I just got the email.
Did you see it?
Let me see.
Okay.
Let me see. So FYI to the chat, we took a test on Monday. We got the grades back. Oh my god. Here.
I'm scared.
I
Yo!
got you. What happened?
Nah, nothing. I was just joking around. I got it.
Oh my.
Wait, no, I didn't. Oh, I got
Okay.
it. I got it.
I got it too. I got
Alright.
it too.
Dude,
too.
I swear. If yours
I
is
got it
higher
too.
than me, if yours is higher, I'm gonna be pissed. And you know why I'll be pissed. Someone said, what are y'all's grades? Oh, what y'all grades is? Jose, what is it, man?
On count of three. I count of three.
One. Okay, this is out of 200, correct? This is out of 200?
Yes.
Okay, count of three. Ready?
Three. One,
1, 2,
two,
3.
three.
190.
190.
Okay,
Hey,
okay,
let's
okay.
go.
Okay, okay.
Let's go. Okay. Yeah, it's all that study, bro. We did, bro.
Oh, man. I was gonna be pissed. I was gonna be pissed.
Graded. Okay.
What is that? That's 95? Okay, 95, 95.
Yeah,
That's alright, that's alright. That's alright.
that's all right. That's all right. Alrighty. I'm just checking the questions.
Oh, you can see which ones you got wrong?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let me
I'm
focus
look
back.
at.
Let me
I'm gonna
focus
look at
back
that
up on the
after.
chat. I'll focus
Yeah,
back
yeah.
up. We're back.
Is
Sorry
it?
about
Hey,
that.
thank you, SB. Thank you, SB. Thank you, SB. Thank
We've
you, SB.
been waiting for these grades for the
Or like,
past week.
guys.
The professor
Yeah,
said we're
bro.
gonna get them on Wednesday, or he didn't
Yeah,
say, but they said
the
it's
following day or
probably the
something.
following day. It's normally, but we waited how long? 4 more days. So
4 days.
yeah,
4 days, give or take.
yeah.
Yeah.
It sounds scripted. You want me to show? You want me to show you my app, my
Nah,
Canvas app? Is that what
not
you want to see?
here. Not
You
here,
want
bro. Not
the proof?
here.
I'll put the proof in the Discord. How about that?
It sounds script.
Remind me. I'll put the proof in the Discord if you really about it. If you want to see, if you
Nah,
want to say it's scripted, I'm just joshing.
yes, Josh.
I'm just joshing.
Alrighty.
Okay, we're back. Sorry.
All right, we're back. Hey, we good.
Sorry.
Alrighty, so. Alrighty, so a story and array. Okay. To do this, I was thinking we need a for loop for sure.
Yeah.
That goes from. Oh, let me think. Well, I think it's a while loop, no?
Dude, I'm gonna be real with you.
Yeah.
You're still in the problem. I kind of took a step back. I need to get back in.
Okay.
I'm at the part where there's a prefix and a suffix.
Okay. So,
Actually getting the suffix in a code way, in a code manner, I'm not there. I have no idea.
Okay. So the prefix, right? But you understand
Yeah,
like
I understand the
prefix,
suffix, yeah.
Okay, so the prefix, I'm thinking. All right, let me see if this logic is working. All right, let me mute the server. In our class server,
They're going crazy?
they're going crazy. I'm gonna mute it for the next hour.
That reminds me, I'm sorry. I didn't have the
Yeah?
music on. Sorry, everyone.
Ooh,
There's music
I'm good.
in the background now.
2 hours out.
Yeah.
2 hours
I turned it
after.
off whenever we were watching the YouTube video. I turned it
Yeah.
off because I didn't want it to overlap.
Yeah.
That's my bad.
I good though.
Do
So,
we need to do Excel draw on this or no?
We can do an Excel draw.
All right,
Let's do an Excel draw.
Send me the
Yeah.
link.
Yeah.
We're gonna draw this out for everyone. We're gonna figure this out.
Yep.
Let me
Yeah,
put
I'm
this
going
here.
to. Ooh, I like these vibes. Ooh.
Copy
Oh.
that.
Wait. Let me. Oh, you have it already?
Well, I don't have the link, but.
Oh, okay. Give me a sec. So I can't. Okay, here it goes. Alrighty. Give you the Excel draw.
All right. Okay. Where are we at?
Right here. I'm right here. All right. Yeah. So below.
All right. I pasted the problem.
All right. So Clad is saying prefix is like the first round of changes in the array, and the suffix is the final round of changes. Okay. I think I'm getting it here. Here, I think I'm getting a little bit. I think I'm getting it. I think I'm getting it. Clat. All right. So here, I'm below the picture.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So to my understanding, right, we have this array on the right side, right? We're gonna say, I'm gonna put the indices.
Okay.
So we're here. So we're gonna say, from here, we're gonna loop backwards, I think. Or we can. Yeah, we have to loop backwards. Wait, do we? Oh, it got me thinking. You got me
1,
thinking now.
2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, no. What? What am I saying? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. We know
Okay.
1, 2. We know 4. 3, we know 1, 2, we know 4. 2, we know 1. We know 3, 4. 3, we know 4. We know. Dude, I think I might have cracked it.
All right, go for it.
Maybe. Maybe. Ready? You calculate the product of this, of this, of this. Okay? Ah, damn it. I don't know where I'm at now. And then, if you want to get the prefix of 1, no, I mean the product of the suffix of 1, we know 2, 3. Okay? And then we know that the only element left is 4. So 2, 3 times 4.
Okay,
For 2, we know 3, 4. And we know times 1 is just 1. I don't know. Never mind. I don't like it.
Okay.
I don't like it. I don't like that idea.
I wasn't really getting you. I wasn't
getting myself either. I wasn't getting myself.
All right. SB said you have to loop both ways and calculate the product of all previous thrown elements except the I or current. For example, if we loop from the left, is prefix. If we loop from the right, is suffix. Okay. All right. Yeah, I get that. That makes sense. Where we have to loop. Where I have to hear 1. Yeah. For example, 4. Right. We get this first 3. Right. That's the suffix for 4. We move to 3. The suffix is 1, 2. And then we move to 2. The suffix is 1. Right. So here, my thing is, how do we loop through this array? Are you getting me? Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
How do we loop through this array from backwards, you're saying?
Well, SB is telling us from the left. So we have to loop from 0 to 3. So we can say, I was thinking a while loop, where we can do.
SB said, what you are calling suffix is actually prefix.
Yes. We're calculating the prefix first. Yeah. Yep.
Wait, SB might be AB's cousin. Another hint, you're not doing this in place, so creating another stack, okay.
You're not doing this in place, so creating another stack. Yes, I'm thinking of creating an array to store the values. I did it using the for loop this morning. Ooh, okay. So SB said start from I equals nuts.length for a suffix.
What are the odds that SB did this morning?
Actually, I was about to say, like, what are the odds for him to do this morning? All right, time to clock it.
Okay.
I don't know.
I'm gonna let you
Great,
clock
bro.
in. I'm gonna let you
Dude,
clock in.
dude,
I'm gonna be
seeing the
real with
graph
you.
made me super happy, bro, that I don't want to do it.
I'm out, man. Oh, I'm literally brain dead. I need to update my level.
Nah,
I'm literally
you do good,
brain
you do
dead.
good.
I'm at like a 7 now.
All right, you good, you good, you good. So we're gonna do a for loop.
Okay.
For I equals length, right? So we're
Yes.
gonna do for. For. We're going from left to right, right? Left to right. So isn't it J to 4?
For I in range 4.
I think I got it. 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 We have to track what we're adding. Wait, do we? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. For example, we have a counter
Okay.
of the multiplication, right? We're gonna do from zero all the way to I, right? And you're gonna go counter is gonna equal to 0. So we're gonna do 0 to length, right? I here is length, so we can switch it up. So counter 0. Let's say if okay, let me see. Let me see. So you're going to call this R array. Position I, right? Which is the
Okay.
value.
Mm-hmm.
Let me move this a little bit to the right. We got counter times equals R dot I, right? And then we're gonna set R at position I, we equal counter. Give me a second, give me a second. I'll be back.
Okay, okay. Oh no. Okay. Let me try to
I'm back,
understand
I'm
this.
back.
Oh, he's about.
I'm back,
Oh
I'm
my
back.
gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, that
Yeah.
was so close.
Why? What happened?
I was desperately going to try to explain it, but you
Oh.
came back at the right time.
Okay.
No,
I got you.
just to be
Uh-huh.
clear, like the only reason why I'm
Mhm.
having a hard time is because my head's already like tired
Yeah.
of LeetCode,
Yep.
so it's
Yeah, yeah.
harder to focus.
No, I get you. I get you. I get you. For sure, for
It's
sure.
not that like what you're writing seems like very like you're writing it a simple way. Like it's not anything
Yeah.
too advanced that we don't
Yeah.
understand. It's just I'm having a hard time focusing on it and retaining
Yeah.
it. Anyway, sorry.
Hey, no good. You good. You good. You good.
Keep
No
doing your
worries.
thing.
Oh,
Keep
yeah.
doing your thing.
Yeah. So here, right, we're gonna go for AI counter. So this is basically gonna say, all right, let's move this. Let's go to back to the. If we go back to the array, right, I'm gonna delete all of this right here. Basically, right here, I'm gonna go 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, if I understood SB and clat right,
Okay.
right, we're gonna go at I,
Yep.
here, say 1 times counter, which is I think this is gonna
0.
cause a problem because isn't supposed to be 0. I think we have to figure out a way to change it up so we can set it to 1. So here, it'd be like if 1
Times itself.
times no. Ooh. No, it would be 0. If index equals 0,
If it's at the beginning.
if it's at the beginning, equal it to 0. There we go. So now we're at the beginning, equal it to 0. All right. Yes. No.
Okay, I'm with you on
Because-
that one. I think.
Yeah, because there's nothing over here. You get me? There's no prefix on 1.
Okay.
So the prefix of 1 is 0. Then at 2, we're gonna go to 2, and we're gonna say counter to whatever the first element is.
Okay.
That way we
So-
don't have a 0 anymore. Now we
So
have
counter's
counter of 1.
Okay.
Yeah, counter is 1 right now.
Now
So
you're
you
at
go
2.
2.
2 times.
2 times counter. So now counter is gonna go to 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now the position at 2, where 2 was, is 2 now, right?
Okay.
No, it's gonna be equal to 1. We have to set it equal to 1 first. Yes. We have to equal it to counter first, and then change counter. You still with me?
Yes.
Or
yes,
today,
yes,
yeah?
yes.
Yeah.
You gotta.
Okay, so we have
You
to.
get- Okay.
Yeah,
There you
like this,
go.
right? Oh, yeah, right there. Yeah. So we get the counter. We set it to counter first. Then we change counter. So now counter is 2. Right? We go to 2. We set our index to whatever counter is, which is 2. Yeah, which is 2. And then we update counter with the value that we have, which is 6.
6.
We set the index to counter. We update counter with the value, which is 4. Wait a minute. This is not me. Oh, I added an extra index. No wonder. This is supposed to be here. There you go. And there you go. That's your prefix. Did that make sense?
Yes. How is this
Yeah.
still O of N?
Because we have looped 1 time. We looped through the array 1 time, and I think we have to loop to the for the suffix. We have to loop again through the array, so it's gonna be 2n. But since we dropped the constants, in this case 2, it's gonna equal n.
Okay.
Yeah, you get me? You get me? You get me there?
That's a major misconception of me, of what I
Yeah.
thought, is because I'm thinking once you're done looping, that's O of N. You can loop again, but you can because it's a constant. If it was
Yep.
N square, that's not O of N.
No, that's not a point. Yep.
If it's 2 plus N, that's still O of N.
2
Okay.
plus n. Yeah.
You could do it both
Yeah.
in one loop as well later on. No way, SB.
What? Nah, SB, you're crazy for this, SB. You're crazy. So this, you know, you're gonna be thinking, SB. Can we? Nah, I think we should take it one step at a time. One step at a time. So we got the suffix, right? Yes.
I'm here.
Okay. So this is the prefix, right? You want to code it up?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah, of course. Take your time.
Alright. Let's get this going, everyone.
Yep.
Okay. We're back. Is there a way I could do you have the pseudocode? You have it already?
On my side, yes.
Okay, so what's the pseudocode?
All right. Let me see. Let me just pull it up real quick. All right. So we're gonna loop through the loop through the array.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. First, we have to create an array. Sorry. We have to create an array, an extra array.
Okay.
Yeah. Create an extra array, and then we're gonna loop through the array, through nums, right? From from 0 to length, right?
Okay.
And then we're gonna say, all right. So first we're gonna check if index equals 0.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna set ARR, the ARR at position 0 will equal 0.
At index or at 0?
Let's call it 0.
Okay.
And then we can set 0. And then we're gonna set counter to the value of that index. Yeah,
Like that?
yeah. Yes, yes. And then we're gonna say, all right, since we already got the counter, yeah, we're gonna say array index ARR index will equal to counter. And then we're gonna update counter with counter times equals array index.
Nums index?
Nums index is yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a suit for the prefix.
Okay.
Now, you wanna get this? You wanna do the prefix first and then work on the suffix, or
Yeah,
you wanna
yeah.
do both?
That's fine.
All right, so we can create array.
Thank you, SB. We
Hey,
appreciate
thank you,
all the help. And it is a marathon, not a
appreciate it.
sprint. We thank you for the
Yeah.
motivational words. You have a good one.
Sir. Yeah.
We'll see you around. We'll
Hopefully
see
you
you
come
around.
back. Yes, sir. Take care, buddy.
Okay.
Alrighty.
So, man.
Alright.
Okay.
I think if you want, after this one, after a few attempts we can call it a day.
All right.
You know? Alrighty.
Uh,
The next stream we can finish it.
okay.
And say if x equals 0, we're gonna say x at position then we're gonna say counter. Then you have to define counter outside. There you go. And I think index is supposed to be x. Yo, what's the songs in the background, bro? There.
You
Ooh.
mess with the song? You mess with the song?
Oh. Yes, sir. Like
Wait,
it.
what do you mean index?
On line 16. Oh, right there. We can do. I was saying line 16 because you put index in there, but we good. You can change it back to index.
Okay.
Okay, now we check. We set ARR index equal counter. Num set index. And I think on the if statement we have to put a continue at the end.
Continue, right?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Let me see.
Let's check it out. Let's check it out.
Oh, cause
Oh, append. No.
Oh yeah. Append. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Append again?
Go for it. I think it's a pen. Why am I thinking it indexes? What the heck? Hey.
Okay.
Hey.
We got something. Something. Hey, do your thing. Do your thing.
Getting
Do your
sturdy
thing.
over here.
Okay. I see you've been doing a little bit of dancing over there.
Yes, sir.
Over there. I don't want to dox you, so.
Hey, no worries. No, you good. You good. You
Over
good.
there. Okay.
Yeah. All right. How do we do this now? Oof. Think about it. Think about it. Think about it. All right. So suffix now. Suffix.
Okay.
Suffix. All right. I'm gonna go back to over here to Excalibur
All
and
right.
see.
We're back.
Figure this thing out. I'm gonna erase all of this right here. Right here. Wait.
We
all
got
right, yeah.
Man, I want to figure out how to say that. How to say your name correctly without butchering it. But I don't want to butcher it, so I'm going to say GS. GS says first index should store the element itself. And I'm sorry, GS. I mean, I'm sorry that I don't have the ability. Yet. I don't have the ability yet. Jet.
Okay.
I remember you used to say Jess. Yeah,
Jess.
I think you still do sometimes.
For yes? I think so.
Just sometimes, and that's okay.
Jess. Yeah, no, yeah, for sure.
That's okay. That's no problem.
Yeah, no. Alrighty.
Thank you, GS. Thank you, GS.
Thank you. Thank you. Alright, so first index should have stored the element itself.
First index should store the element itself. So it's saying over here.
It should store 1.
It should store 1. Because there's no 0, right? Oh, wait. I don't know. Yeah, shouldn't it be 1, 1, 2, 6, 12?
But why does this number have to store with the first element though? That's where my dilemma is. This one right here.
Yeah.
Why 1?
Oh, you're on the Excel.
Oh yeah, I'm in Excalibur.
I'm here. I'm back.
Yeah, no, you're good. Alrighty. But I do see why it should be 1 because we have to deal with this 0 afterwards. All right, let's switch it up for GS and let's see how it works in the future. So let's set that instead of a 0, set it to the value of 1.
Okay.
Decode. Yeah. So we go instead of
value
numset
of nums index.
Yeah. Yep. That should be give me 1. Whoa.
What happened?
Oh, we didn't print it. I don't think you printed.
Oh.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Yep. Alrighty. Okay.
Good catch.
Yeah, I saw that coming. Yeah. Thank you. Alright. So now we have to do the
Also, we just get another sub. Appreciate it for the new subs, man.
Oh, yes, sir. Close to 310. Come on, 3 more subs. Alright, suffix.
Thank you, GS.
Yes, sir. So from here we moved from 0 to length.
Yep.
Now we want to move from length
to 0.
Yeah, and do the same thing, I think.
Okay.
But with another array.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna do for length 0, right? So we're gonna get 4.
All right. We have suffix, so we got
Yep. 4. Let me see how this thing works.
counter 2. We need another counter.
Yeah. We need another counter. And another counter in another array here. But for the counter, let's say if index equals length, right? Something like that.
-1.
-1. Yep. Yeah. -1. Yeah. I think we say continue. Wait. I'm. Yes, we leave it like that. Yeah, we leave it like that. We say continue. Wait a minute. Oh no.
Suffix will store 24, 12, 4, and 1.
Oh, we added as a 1. Okay, I see. Okay, so in this case, if this is, we said, okay, that makes a lot of sense. Like this. Okay, I know why. So here we're gonna say,
I'm on the code. Should I be on the
array.
Excel?
Uh-huh.
Should I be in the Excel or on the code?
I'm in Excalibur. Sorry.
Okay. I'm going back.
Yeah, I'm below. I'm right here. So I'm here. Our index, if we're in the end, at the very end, right? We're gonna equal it to 1. So now our index over here, delete this. We have a 1 over here. Wait, yes. Think so. Let me see. Let me just move this one. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, I hate something's wrong. Right here. Oh, what? Right here. Right? And then we say, alrighty, counter will equal 1. Like that, and then we go over here and say, and
You always will equal
Like
it
this.
1?
I think so. Because if you equal it to 0, you're gonna have to deal with the 0. So if you equal it to 1, it's not gonna change nothing, if that makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's pretty much the same code, but just reversed.
Reverse.
The for loop. Yeah, the for loop is just reversed. If that makes sense.
Do we go to the code now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Almost there, buddy. Almost there.
Here's what I got.
Yeah. I'm with you. So we're gonna create another array called called oh, you already have it. Okay. Ooh, damn, my guy. Oh, you were writing it already. Okay. My bad. Okay, yes. Index equals now. Okay, so in the append, we're gonna equal it to 1. Yeah, right there. Yeah, that should work. And on the N34, it should be counter 2. And on line 32, right there. That should work.
Y'all messing with the music? Let me know y'all messing with the music.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
Ooh.
Oh, you appended counter on line 33. It should. Oh wait, no, it should be counter 2. Yeah.
Ooh.
Array equals -1. That makes sense. Append 1. Append 1.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Counter 2 economics index. Okay. Why isn't it working?
Index in range 0, length of nums,
Yeah,
which would be 4 minus 1, 3.
Yeah,
At
index
index
equals
3, if index equals 3, yo,
Yo, what the heck?
why is it not running? Length nums minus 1 to 0. In range.
Try changing index to like index 2, like a 927.
Index to
Yeah. Right there. Yeah. Think that's what's. Oh my god, bro. Oh. Dude, my head is fried, bro. I don't know why.
how do you reverse the range? Or should we say, how about we do
Okay. Alright, we're getting something now. Alright, from there we just. Oh, so you reversed it pretty much?
yeah.
Alrighty. Okay, that works.
Alright.
Alrighty, so now, right, we just multiply both arrays, but we have to be careful here. We have to reverse one of them again.
Which one do you get to reverse? We got another
I'll do
sub.
this-
Appreciate the subs,
Yeah.
man. I
Really?
wish it showed up at the top, like it showed, like the you just subscribed, but I guess it doesn't work all the time.
Alright, bet.
Anyway, oh, we got another one.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh,
Appreciate it for the subs. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. I get so happy.
No worries.
Reverse the suffix.
Yeah, reverse the suffix. You have to reverse it again. Boom.
Okay.
And then we just multiply them. Come on, my boy. We're there. We're almost there. We're almost
Okay.
there.
Then you multiply. How so?
Yes, we have to loop through the array. I think so. For x, for x in the range of prefix, yeah, they're both the same length.
No, in range,
say,
right?
Mm-hmm. And then I think you have to create another array called ends. Then you're gonna go ends x, ends x at position. Yep. Say suffix, prefix, suffix. Is there? Yep, read it. Okay. Come on, Mom. Come on. Submit it, bro. Submit it.
There needs to be other test cases. Whoever came up with this test case is an op.
It's an op.
Oh, wait, that wouldn't work, right? Because there's 3 dots.
Yeah,
okay.
it wouldn't work. Ooh, that one?
Which one?
Up. Yeah, right there. Read more. Oh, it's a picture. Oh no, it's not a picture. I think there's a copy button on the top right. Right there.
But like, how do I? Oh.
Oh, okay.
Dude, your face, man. Your face.
Oh no. Why?
Oh no. Downvote. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyways. What's going on, Jose? What's going on? 0 and -2.
Oh, you know what? Go up.
Go.
On line 15.
15.
Yeah, put a 1. Right there. Yeah, right there. Read it?
You're a genius. You're a genius.
You get off me right now, my boy. You get off me.
You're a genius, man.
You get off me.
Oh my.
You on me? Get off me, my boy.
That is crazy.
Oh.
All right.
Oh my god.
Guess we submitted.
Go. Submitted. That's what of the day. Hey.
So we're talking about. GS, we appreciate you so much, GS.
Thank you, Jeff.
In times where I felt my lowest, GS came and saved me. GS came and saved me. Oh my gosh. There's no way.
Bro. GF with a clutch.
GS goes crazy.
Oh man.
Well, you gotta explain it, man. We just lost a sub.
Oh no.
We just lost a sub. Oh, I'm pissed.
Hey, but we gained more.
Oh,
That's good. That's good.
I guess you're right. It's all good. If they that's all good. Guess what you learned prefix and stuff. Yeah, I guess you're right.
Yeah. Thanks to you, Jeff. Thanks to you, GS. Thanks to you.
All right, Jose, do
All
your
right,
thing.
so this is 238 product of an array except itself. This is a medium problem. Basically, we want to find the products of all the values except myself. For example, in example one, the values for index 0, which is 1, is 2, 3, 4, which is value 24, right? Then on index 2, 1, it's 2. For that, it's 1 times 3 times 4, which is 12, right? So basically, we get the product of all the values except myself. In order to do this, we did the prefix and suffix approach, where we get the values from the pre of that value. So for example, with 1, we have nothing, so it's just 1, 2 times suffix is 1, 3, the prefix is 2, the prefix of 4 is 6. So on and so forth. In order to do that, we loop from 0 all the way to the length, and every time we go one time, right? 0 to length. Yes, we go from 0 to the length, right? Every time getting the counter and setting up the prefix values on a pre-array that we set it up on line 11.
Jose,
Then we get the suffix. Yeah.
I don't mean to cut you off, but I feel like we should answer this question real quick.
Yeah.
I would like to answer
Python
it.
is. All right, you go for it, my guy. You go for it.
Is Python the best to solve LeetCode? In my opinion, it's a good language to start to solve LeetCode. The con of Python, in my opinion, and I could be wrong, is that if you use built-in functions, you don't necessarily know how really those functions work unless you did your research. But if you're new to Python and you know the count function or the sort function, do you know how it's sorting, or do you know? Because that's going to help you when it comes to problems like these where it says you need to do O of n time. So if the sorting function you're using and you don't know the time complexity and it's actually O n squared, then that you will get an incorrect submission. So there's pros and cons to it. The pro is that it's very easy with the syntax. The con is knowledge-wise, you might not be getting the best out of Python. To answer your question. All right, Jose, I'm sorry.
No worries, no worries. No, you're good. Yeah. So, no, but yeah, just adding that to Carlos, he basically, it's a good language to start up and to get a grasp of like data structures and this and that, like getting that logic going on, right? Because for like programming, you have to have like learn different algorithms. So in this case, prefix, suffix, what is it, the rabbit and the hare algorithm, in order, pose, all those things. It's a great way to learn those. But like Carlos said, sometimes the built-in functions aren't really the best. So it's better to transition after you get a grasp of Encode to C, to Java, right? Where those built-in functions aren't really as solid. So you have to go and figure out other ways to do it. Yeah. But going back to explanation, we go with suffix. So suffix is the same thing, but now we start from the back, getting the suffix, the multiplication of the suffix of the element. So in order to do this, we start from we reverse the array, right? So now we're starting from the back, and we do the same algorithm, but now getting the suffix, we save the suffix variables on a suffix array, and then when we have the pre and the suffix, right, we multiply them both, creating another array called ands, where we get the value from one, getting the value for another one, we multiply them, right? And that helps us get the total of the ands, or the product of an array except itself, and we return it. Yep.
Brilliant.
Yes, sir.
Wow, Jose. That was 2 problems. Lasted 3 hours. 2 medium problems,
bro.
3 hours.
Oh, bro. Damn, bro.
We'll go into outro mode.
Yeah. I'm ready to call it a day here, brother.
All right, everyone. It was a good stream.
It was a good stream. Phenomenal stream.
A lot of learning for sure. Very challenging on the mental capacity of myself. But we had some good moments. I mean,
Yep.
we met some new viewers. We we learned some new things, prefix, suffix, or we might have already known it, but we just need a refresher on it, and maybe that's the value we got. Also,
Yep.
we got, like I said, we had new people in here. It was good seeing y'all. Thank y'all for subbing or liking or whatever. We stream weekly, so
Yep.
expect the stream next week.
Sir.
We usually do the same time in the day at 7:45 CST, or if you're in IST, it's 6:15 p.m. IST. But other than that, that's about it. Jose, what do you guys
Yeah.
say?
Oh no, thank you for everybody that came into the stream that helped us. I know if I from top of my head, I know a Clat, SB, RS, I think. I forgot. I'm sorry, guys. GS, Kyra, Ali, everybody here, even Orcus that stopped here for a bit. Thank you
Jonathan
guys for
came
coming
in.
in. Jonathan came in with his solution. That's so true. So thank you guys for coming here. Thank you guys for helping us reach 300 subs, right? And growing this community. Don't forget to join the Discord. Links in the description. Only 100 spots left. Hey, and we have like, they're running out.
We're almost
They're
at
running out.
half.
We're
We're
running
almost
out.
at half.
We're almost at half. We're almost at half. So if you want to join into this growing community, the fastest growing community, you know, join the Discord.
Fastest
subscribe,
growing
yeah.
community.
Fastest growing community. Yes, sir.
Fastest.
Yes, sir.
The
Fastest
smartest growing
LeetCode.
community. The smartest community.
Ooh, the smartest
Oh.
community. That's a take.
I like
That's
that.
a take.
I like that.
I
I'm
like
gonna
that
write that
too.
down.
Yes, sir. So you want to be part of the smartest community out there? Join the Discord, subscribe. Yeah, and thank you guys for everything. And yeah, I'm all good, buddy.
GS said they're gonna be joining the Discord. GS,
Yay!
we'll welcome you. If you want to join, join. We welcome you.
Welcome.
You could
Yes,
you
sir.
could talk to the other viewers. You could post your solutions. You could even possibly join the stream sometime.
Hey, that's
We
so
haven't
true.
done it in a while. We haven't done
We
a
haven't
phone a viewer in a while, but
Phone a
hey,
viewer.
it's there. It's an option for
Yeah. Yes, sir.
whenever people want to come in. But
Uh-huh.
all right, everyone. It was a
All
good
right.
stream. I'll keep a lookout for YouTube videos, and that's about it.
Yep. Yeah. All right, guys. Peace
All
out,
right.
guys. Take care.
See ya.
Bye-bye.